Okay, and then we go over to the YouTubes.
I'm here.
Oh, you're here. Okay. And then
Is that exactly right?
I don't know.
Very, very, very good call.
And it says we're live. Oh, good. We are live.
Oh, look at that.
That is fantastic.
Oh, it's Luke.
There we go. Sweet. We're just letting people come in, right?
Yeah.
Do you like to be on the left or the right?
Very intimate question.
Text is over here on the screen. What's up, everybody? Welcome to 3D Printing Nerd Studios. This is Luke, known as Singing Surfer. BIQU.
BIQU.
Or
Big Tree
BIQU.
Tech.
BIQU.
BIQU. Depends on if you're in China or
Yeah,
not.
that's true. We're not.
Yeah.
And Big Tree Tech and just the Pandaverse.
The Pandaverse.
The
is,
Pandaverse.
Yeah, it is a whole, I mean, as the name might suggest, a whole lot of products that we have been working on for the last year.
Like a long
And
time.
we're really excited
Yeah.
to just show them off today.
It's really cool. Well,
yeah,
here,
we're
let's
just
set it
gonna-
up. Let's set it up first because, like, you guys just showed up and there was literally 7 giant boxes of things.
Yeah.
7
Yeah.
giant boxes of things.
Yeah, and 3 very tired people accompanying the 7
And
giant
you,
boxes of things.
So Eric, Rich from China,
Yeah.
you from
Yeah.
South Africa,
yeah.
jet lagged, all which ways. Yeah.
So if I pause for a little bit today and you can just see me searching for words,
I see you got some waters over there.
then
just
you
in
know
case.
some waters.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
good. That's
there
good.
You go.
That's good. Let's see. We got people coming in. Uncle Jesse. Hey, what's up, Uncle Jesse?
Is that Uncle Jesse?
Yeah,
Look at
he's
him.
right there. He's got some panda stuff.
is
Sure,
up
Sherman.
today?
Last time I was this early, Uncle Jesse broke his door. RC Maniac, hopefully you can hear us. You can see us. I expect a full QVC experience. Oh, all right. For those that are younger, that is Home Shopping Network.
For those that are younger and South African.
Oh, yeah. Is it still going strong in South Africa?
Well, I have no idea what that is, so evidently not.
Oh, so QVC, Quality Vision Channel, something like that. It was 24/7.
Oh yeah.
People showing
Yeah.
you a product,
Yeah.
demonstrating it, and then for the low price on the screen, people could buy it by calling an 800 number
Okay. Yeah.
and giving their credit
We
card
do
over the
have
phone.
something similar.
It was super safe.
Yeah. Super
Like,
safe.
it
Here's my
was
credit
only-
card number. Here's the CVC. Go for it, guys.
Yeah, it was only the highest quality products.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, wait, David. Yeah, switch over here. So here, go back to 2. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. We got stuff. We got stuff. Okay, so back to 1. Let's talk about the stream at hand because we're going to be showing a lot of Pandaverse stuff. But also, there's a link in the description that lets people enter to win what?
What do we got, guys? So we got, I mean, until we've actually told you what the products are, I'm just going to say names, and you're probably not going to know what the names are. But you're going to be able to win a Panda Station, which is on the floor, and we're going to jump into that just now. Then we got the Panda Den, which is
Panda
over
Den,
there.
yeah.
The Panda
Yeah,
Den.
Panda Den.
All right, you can see it. You see there's that little blue LED that's sort of doing a wave motion. And on the P1S is on top of something. That is the Panda Den. So you're going to be able to win one of
It's
those.
going to be really exciting to talk about that because
Yeah.
it's got a really cool feature.
And you got the Panda Status, which was doing that wave motion. We're going to be giving 6 of those away.
Can you change the color from blue?
Oh, you can change it to whatever you want. It's RGB.
Because, you know,
So-
like Knight Rider red, right? Get the car, you know?
Exactly.
Okay.
So, I mean, you can, it can track the, Siri's also just joined the stream, evidently. Welcome.
Thanks, Siri.
It can track the status of the machine. So it binds to the machine itself.
Okay.
And it will update based on what the machine is doing. I mean, basically, it's kind of like bringing that same status bar on the H2D/S to the P1S, right?
Yeah. It's a
There you go.
hard click, David. David's trying to enter a text. There you go. Oh, not a right click, though.
We are
that-
trying to
Yeah,
type you a message.
The touchpad on the laptop that producer Dave is using right now is probably of the 10 best, it's probably number 8.5. Yeah, it feels nice. It feels nice. It's the size of my house though. It's got a lot of geography on it. What's up, Pedro? What's up, Ironstone Fold Plays? What a fun name. I'm trying to read them on the TV.
Where's everyone from? I mean, there's a lot of names I know here. We got Tech Jeeper, who's
You know what
always
we should
around.
do? We should move the TV closer to us.
Yeah,
Yeah, you stay there, Luke.
let's do it.
Oh, Rich has got it. Okay, wait. Not too far. Pay attention to the power cord. Stay on target. Stay on target. We're
just,
just TV closer so I can read
We're
it.
just messing with the set live,
Yeah. Now turn the TV a little bit.
getting things in the shot.
The other way. The other way. There we go. Go camera 1.
Oh, yeah, Luke's Lab's here.
Yeah, Luke's lab is here.
He's learning texting from over there.
Go camera 1. We can't see Luke.
I kind of like
There we
that.
go.
All right, well, fine.
I didn't
we're
like
back.
it. We'll move this when we need to go back to 2 to talk about that stuff. But right now we're still setting up the stream.
Hi from Holland.
Whoa.
Goedenavond.
The Shrimp Father 13 is from the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma.
Henrik's here.
Henrik's in the chat.
Yep.
Fantastic. I love Henrik.
Sydney, Australia. Goodness, how are you still awake, mate?
Allison's in Canada, eh? Watching
Look at
from
all of
Henderson,
you people.
Minnesota. Oh, Tactical Pranks from
Belgium.
Belgium. All right.
Belgium.
Wow, we have a global representation.
Hoe
For
gaat het
people
met
really
jou from
excited.
Belgium?
Wow.
So I think in Belgium they speak Dutch,
I
if I'm not mistaken.
don't know. Ask
You can
the person
correct
from
me.
Belgium.
Tactical printing, if I'm wrong.
Okay. Tactical printing, yes, please. What language do you
And
speak where you're
in
at?
South Africa, we've got Afrikaans, which came from Dutch.
That's right. Oh, so if Tactical Printing put Dutch in the chat, you'd have no problem understanding it.
At high school level. Yes.
Okay. Oh, high school level. So you know how to ask for a drink and where the bathroom is.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Mostly a drink.
That's what I.
We got Pedro. So Pedro is the author of X-Touch, and he now works for BTT.
No.
Yeah.
That's good. Well, welcome to the show.
Welcome, Pedro.
That is
Good to have you,
fantastic.
buddy. Right. So we got a
Okay.
couple of people in.
Yeah.
I am ready to go whenever you are.
Well, okay. So I think what we're going to do. So there's a link in the description. It is a Gleam link.
Mhm.
It is from BIQU, and that's where you get to enter to win a multitude of things. And along with the giveaway, the link's in the description. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Mhm.
You get discounts on how much you spend on the products during the stream. Is that correct?
So what's going to happen is this man over here, Richard, who is out of the
Stand
shot,
up, Richard.
but
No,
you can
I can
see-
see. There you go. There you go. There's Richard.
he is going to
Yeah.
be pasting discount codes into the chat as we are busy discussing each product.
Oh.
And so as we're discussing that product, you're going to get a discount code that's going to give you a percentage off that product. And he's just going to keep them coming as we go.
Oh, is it one person per code, or is that code good for everybody?
That code should be good for the duration of the stream.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
as a product is introduced, showcase, and we
Boom.
talked about it, Rich over there is going to spit a code into the chat, and then magic happens.
Magic happens. So there's also
Alright.
a bunch of other codes. We've got we've got those product specific codes, and then we've got like a buy more than, I think it's more than $100, you get $10 off. More than 200, you get 25, I think.
Is it?
25.
Probably.
300 gets
Maybe.
you 45.
Okay.
All right, so that's what we're working with. Yeah.
Norman did say, just because you can ask for directions to the bathroom in another language, it does not mean you will understand the directions. Fair point.
Oh, we've got Nero with us, Taylor.
The Cannot creator. Oh, wait, he said it in caps.
Why are you
Hi,
screaming at
Taylor.
us?
What's wrong with you? The BQ account, is that Rich?
That is possibly Eric.
Oh, it's either Eric or Rich.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hey, Eric. Okay, Eric, the creator of BQ,
Yeah.
is right there sitting on the floor.
The big tree himself.
The Mr. Big Tree.
Yeah.
I wish
Yeah.
that was a big tree. That's such a great name.
So I mean, that literally is his. Well, his Chinese name is Tree. It's like it's got the word tree in it.
Yeah.
But he's a pretty tall guy for a Chinese guy.
Shervin says, time to void Bambu's warranty. All of the products we show do not
They
void the
do not
warranty.
void the warranty.
Yeah, this is
No.
the best part about this. If your Bambu machine breaks for some reason, none of these mods will have caused it,
Yeah.
and your warranty is still valid.
We're not gonna go in there and blow things up, guys.
I mean, not on purpose.
We might try because that's part of the fun.
Luke's Laboratory. Even though I know greeting wasn't for me, Lake of Lakes Lubratory.
All right. So Luke was telling us about how he has several gallons of lube for his new CNC machine.
Yeah.
And so now he's rebranding to Lubratory.
The Lakes Lubratory.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's because I saw the hi from Nero, and so I wanted to say hi back, even though I knew the reading was right. Don't say hi. No, okay.
If anybody registers
He wants the
lakelubratory.com, please save it for Luke.
I already own it.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Okay, what's there?
It just links back to my website.
Have you just parked it? That's good.
I would think it would be a picture of Luke, but like clean shaven, because you know it would be Bizarro Luke.
Yeah, no, we have 4th of July or April 1st plans for it.
All right.
Sounds good, man.
I like how the HDMI cables are draped across the floor so conspicuously.
Yeah, I guess
I'm surprised. I'm surprised producer David hasn't found tape and just taped him to the floor.
I'm watching the stream, or else I would.
Yeah.
It's something's going to happen during
Yeah,
the stream.
it will.
And it's not going to be
Absolutely.
fun, and it might involve damage to a Panasonic camera.
Where's the red tape? Nathan was smelling it earlier.
It's going to be with Nathan.
George, BIQU Panda products are available on
Be
Amazon.
careful though. That tape.
My
that
friend,
tape
they most
doesn't.
certainly are.
That is ultimate tape.
When is the
It'd be
heater
better if
gonna
you could
be in
find blue
stock?
tape. Yeah. What is that?
That is what our friend over there, George, is asking about.
BIQU
this-
Panda products are available on Amazon.
They are.
Okay.
Sorry, not George. My bad.
Beeweed. When's the heater going to be in stock? Is that it?
BIQU ASD. SD.
Oh, it is
BIQU
ASD.
Beweased. Yeah,
Beweased.
There you go. So this is a heater product, right? So this fits directly into the location, well, not markers, but like location plastic within the P1S, the base,
Okay.
and screws in, mounts in, and basically gives you the heater that the X1E has.
Oh.
And the cool thing about it is it actually connects directly to the machine wirelessly. So it's got a little Wi-Fi chip in here, connects to the machine, and it automatically scans and it sees, okay, cool. Machine has the hotbed enabled and it's 60 degrees. I don't need to be on. Guy's probably printing PLA. No need to heat the chamber. However, okay, hotbed's up at around 80, 90. I better turn on and heat the chamber up because we're probably printing PC or ABS or whatever the case may be. So then this guy will heat up. It's got a filter in it, HEPA and carbon. Yeah, we'll get to that though. We'll get to that. We're jumping again. It's just for you, Beweased, because you asked about it. That is going to be released next month.
This is next month.
Yeah, that's next month.
Now, okay. Now it communicates via Wi-Fi with the printer.
So I mean, obviously you have to give it power, right?
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah.
So yeah, we give it power, and that just pops out the back of the machine.
okay.
But yeah, it like pretty much everything in the Pandaverse products. Sorry, David is now wearing the He-Man hat.
Yeah. He's got Prince Adam's
I
hair.
feel like he needs to
Yeah.
somehow get into the shot for a moment just to. There you go. Welcome.
There you
guys.
go. There it is. Actual size too.
Actual size. There you go. Yeah, so a lot of the Pandaverse products connect directly to the printer, so that they,
How?
Well, I mean, okay, so Bambu Studio has to connect to the printer, right? It has
Yeah.
to. You open up Bambu Studio.
Yeah.
It's on the same local network.
Yeah.
It's got to connect to the printer. It's got to be able to see what the filaments are loaded into the printer, what temperature the bed is at, etc., etc.
That's MQTT stuff, right?
QTT.
Okay.
So that is a channel that is open, and this guy over here can connect to the same channel. Now, of course, there's the whole thing where Bambu set her out. We're going to lock down the ability to write to that channel.
Oh, but
So that's-
read is wide open.
Read is good. Read is good. So
Oh.
this doesn't need to write. It basically just locks into that channel and it goes, what's going on inside the printer? Hey, the guy's printing. Okay, is he printing at a bed temperature over whatever, let's say the default that we configure it to is 80 degrees Celsius. Is he printing at a bed temperature over 80 degrees Celsius? Yes. Hey, I should turn on and heat up the chamber.
Okay, that's
Because
kind of
that's
cool.
going to help the part to cool uniformly and not warp or peel off the bed or
Yeah.
split. Yeah. So it just needs to know what's going on.
That's
to be
really
able to
cool.
do its job. Yeah. So that's Panda Breath. That is really cool. That is really cool little
That
product
is really cool.
that we are
A new feature coming too.
excited. Richard says there's a new feature coming too.
You can
Richard.
now set 2 temps. One for only activating the fan, which does the filter.
Okay.
And then filter. And
Oh,
Okay.
So,
So there you go.
pretty BLA.
There you go.
it's like-
so if you can't hear, do I go back to Richard? David, there we go. Okay, that guy says that the Panda Breath will be updated so that you can run just the fan for the filtration, or fan and heat.
And they're both
And they're both automatic.
Yeah. So if you want to
Brilliant.
just suck out the VOCs, put them through a HEPA and a carbon filter.
Now the P1S though isn't built for, like, are you going to cook the insides more than at once?
That's a very good question. And we have run that testing to make sure that we are not going to cook the insides. So you're looking at the carbon rails that are happy with life up until 75 degrees Celsius. At that point,
fair, yeah.
the resin impregnation starts to soften, they start to sag. Don't ask us how we know. So we've done a ton load of testing to make sure that this thing is safe. So the firmware will cap you out at 60 degrees chamber temperature.
Oh,
it will not allow you to go higher than that.
Okay.
So it's got
For the
that safety
consumer
measure
machines,
built
though,
in.
that's a great temperature.
It's
for
pretty
consumer
good for a
machines.
consumer machine. I mean, there's a lot of, so this is not only for Bambu products, right? Like you can put this in any machine that you want. And because of that, we've got a lot of people asking us, man, I want more than 60. Like I want to pump that thing up to 90. And so what we're thinking of doing is releasing like a YOLO version of firmware that
oh, like you check a box. I understand what
exactly.
I'm doing.
Like I understand that if I melt my machine, it's on me. We will set an e-fuse within the device that shows you have definitely done that. Like, and then they're free to do what they want. They can push it up, but that's on them.
Okay. Now just within heating, Tactical Printing does say I can heat up my P1S to 55C no problem right now. So then this is going to be on top of the bed heater being able to heat.
You know, the
chamber,
problem
right?
with the 55C, it's going to take you like 2 hours plus to get there.
Oh.
What this does is within 10 minutes, you're up at 60. So it's not as if you're printing the very first few layers and then someone opens a window in the room and it drops from 55 down to like 50 again. Like this keeps you at 60 from the start of the print all the way through, irrespective of what the environment around the machine is doing.
Okay.
And it's that which really enables printing of those engineering type materials, because any temperature fluctuations as you're going will result in things peeling off the bed.
Of course, yeah.
I mean, like we have done the testing on this, and 100% it massively helps.
That's cool. No, I love this. And is this part of the giveaway?
That is not, because it's not released yet like the other products. This is a sneak peek. This is a sneak peek. This is demo prototype. Yeah.
Hey David, go camera 2.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Oh, that's my sneak peek. That's my sneak peek. That was good. That was good. Oh, we can't see you anymore, Luke. I'm sorry. Here, scoot over here.
All right.
There we go. Sure. Look at that.
Okay, so should we jump in and and kick it off with something that I really, really enjoy? And Rich, maybe I can ask you, buddy. Could you grab the tool to adjust the Costa wheels?
Oh, yeah. That red tool.
The red tool. And we will show you the Panda Station. The Panda Station.
Okay.
That is on the floor.
Which one's the station? Remind me. That's that thing right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so go ahead and zoom that out, and then we'll be good.
Yeah, we can just move the TV out the shot.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
All right, so let's come around there.
Yeah.
And I think we could probably zoom it out and get the station in the shot, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. Panda Station. Look at us. We're being mobile here. Wait, I'll go adjust that real quick. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
In the meanwhile, I'm gonna see what everyone is saying. Okay, so Tactical Printing heats his chamber up with his heat soldering gun. I mean, that's one way of doing it.
Dude, that is DIY to the core.
I love that.
That is fantastic.
Well done, bro. What's that?
Where is it?
Where is it?
I mean, it's somewhere there.
I saw it on a shelf.
Just in case you guys
I saw it on a shelf. Like it was on a shelf.
We're in Joel's warehouse here, and it's a big warehouse. And as he mentioned,
it is pretty big.
We had like, it's way bigger than. No, we're not gonna. Yeah, it's a big warehouse, and I've lost one of the tools that we need in the warehouse. But Richard,
throw it.
Being such a good guy, has managed to find it.
Oh,
here we have our
look
tool.
at that.
There you go.
Look at that. That is a thing, man.
Okay.
Oh,
so
want it? You want? Is that? Yeah.
What is this used for?
Oh wait, there we go. Look at that tool. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. There we go. That is a tool. Oh, that's good. Like it says BIQU on it. That's amazing. Okay.
Look at that. Thank you, sir. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Panda Station. This is the Panda Station.
That is cool. So this is a cart for a 3D printer.
Yeah, I mean,
am I not giving it enough? Like, is it not grandiose enough?
Come on. Yeah. Well, I mean, no, that is what it is, right? Like, let's not beat around the bush here. It's a mounting and storage solution for a 3D printer. And why did we do it? Basically, because we were, we're all 3D printer enthusiasts ourselves. Yeah, go for it. No one's going to stop you.
That's a good slide.
And we didn't know of anything like this on the market that could give us portability, mobility, the ability to just move things around.
Okay.
Rock solid stability as well. Like, there's a lot of stuff out there, right? So we did a bit of research. What are we going to put our printers on? Like, guys are putting them on tables, but
lots of IKEA things.
Right? And especially with your bigger machines like your H2S and whatnot, you've got
Take a knee.
Yeah, but that way I can get you
All right.
and it in the shot.
Oh,
take a knee.
Wait. Taking.
Okay, Riker.
Yeah, so you get a lot of rickety stuff, and then you get the other end of the spectrum where you get guys. What do you call them in the US? Where you go to like Harbor Freight and you buy like a big tool case, right?
We call them tool cases.
Tool cases?
Sure.
All right, cool. So you go and buy like a $500 tool case.
Yeah.
And you mount a 3D printer on top of that, which is, I mean, it's a bit overkill.
But it comes with good casters and it's really sturdy.
There you go. So now if you want to get something that's portable and sturdy, that's where you got to look pretty much.
Yeah.
And we did the research, and surprisingly, the stuff out there that is really sturdy and portable is just crazy expensive. You're talking like $400-500 plus.
Oh, there's some benches at like Home Depot close by, and it's like 900,000.
Yeah. And we were like, okay, wait, like there is the need for a solution where you've got a nice sealed up filament chamber inside here.
Well, I see a hygrometer. So I mean, are we?
Yeah. So it's a sealed chamber. It's got sort of a closed cell seal around the whole thing. Let's just say that as of yet, the add-on to actually actively extract humidity hasn't been released.
Okay.
But that's not to say that it won't be.
Oh.
It is coming. So there'll be a little thing, back panel, new back panel, and
so at some point in the future, this is going to be a dryer cabinet.
Dryer might be the wrong term. It will be a dry cabinet.
A dehumidifier?
Because a dryer actively needs to energize the water molecules within the filament, right, and get them to leave the filament.
Yeah.
Whereas a dry chamber just ensures that there is no moisture within the environment to settle on the filament and get absorbed into it.
Got it.
So that's what we're going for.
This is creating an arid environment that you can store your filament in.
Bingo. Yeah. So that's, like right now, it's sealed, but later on we're going to be adding something to it that you'll actually be able to suck the humidity.
Can you say how much later on? This year?
Not this year, Q1 next year.
Okay.
Yeah. So you've got these two drawers here, and one of the things, again, don't ask us how we know, that we learned when we were developing this is if you're like mounting, because you can put whatever you want on this, right? You can put an A1 Mini, you can put A1, or as we'll show just now, the welcome. You
said A1 and it made a noise. You know that, right?
How excited was that thing? Wow. Love you, little guy.
Oh, did you just fist bump the A1?
So you can put small machines on here, but you can load these guys up with a ton of stuff.
Okay.
And if you were to hypothetically load both of them up with a ton of stuff and have a really small machine on the top, the center of gravity might extend just beyond the front of the Panda Station.
I know where you're going with this.
And so the Panda Station might do a little bow.
Yeah.
And so do me a favor, try pull out that bottom drawer now.
I'm not in a good spot. You're going to have to pull it. Oh, okay.
Fortunately, give it a tug.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's locked.
Okay, now try.
Oh, okay.
Alrighty.
Okay. That's
so that's pretty cool.
I see it on the side. That's pretty good.
It's just it'll latch out whatever drawer.
Oh, here, let's show it to
currently not open.
David's moving around there. Can
you
see it right here, that silver part, David?
So this little guy here
Boing.
is your automatic latching.
Can you store an AMS light in it?
Can you store an AMS light in it? You would have to take the base off the AMS light, obviously the mounting. but my guess is that it would be able to work. I personally haven't tried it, but you got a ton of volume in there.
Tactical says put the Panda Breath in it.
You could.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heck, why not? I mean, he was busy shoving his soldering iron inside his chamber.
Tactical, just to heat it with your soldering iron. It's fine.
Yeah.
Well, let's put a burner on it.
So there you go. Yeah, that's the Panda Station, and of course you've also
the
got
tool.
this here. You've
The
got
tool,
your
though.
yes. Sorry.
Right.
See, look at us just get ADD'd away.
I'm
here.
just telling you, man.
All right. So
These
tool,
casters are cool.
this allows you to just kind of like settle the wheels down, lock them in place. So that one is
That's pretty much down.
that's pretty much done.
So
now.
these are the kind of casters that will roll, and then you can rotate the foot of the caster down so that the wheels are no longer touching, or they're not active, right?
Yeah. So I mean, like that is
Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere.
that is solid now.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna release them because
Well,
we still want to.
I'm gonna go get a big.
Let's get a big printer.
I'm gonna go get.
Pop it on,
I'm
yeah.
gonna get an H printer. You undo that. Yeah. Right behind you, producer David. Yeah. It's all right.
Just in case if anyone want to geek out, those wheels are rated for 50 kilos.
50 kilos a wheel.
5,000 pounds? Are you serious?
5,000 million.
Watch the cable.
Yep, I'm good.
All right. I'm gonna bring that over.
There we go. It's got handles on it, man. Here.
And it also at one stage had a external filament. Off with that.
Yeah, we don't need that. Use the handle.
Right.
There you go.
Done. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
I mean, look at it, guys.
give it a spin. Give it a spin.
And what we have going on here is a little external mount for the emergency stop button, should you so need one.
Oh, I have one on that one back there.
Yeah. So I don't think
Yeah.
this is the laser version, right?
No, it is not
No.
the laser version.
So we wouldn't need that. But yeah, so it's just, I mean, it's solid like that.
Yeah,
Is,
that's pretty good.
it's just,
When you can tell
it's
that the
going nowhere.
anti-vibration feet are kicking in while we're doing this.
Yeah, you can actually feel it like,
Well, I was just thinking, if you were
Absorbing
to print at high speed with this, you could still leave it the casters in wheel mode because the vibration it'll cancel
Yeah.
itself out, right?
I mean, that's what I do with mine at home. I actually have it sitting on a carpet, right? So it's not like a tiled floor where I'm going to have to worry about the thing walking as it's printing with the vibration.
Yeah, the carpet's
I'm happy with it sitting on the carpet.
But
And
this is
I
cool.
don't
You can
actually drop
see-
the casters.
You can see the floor here. I mean, it's just a big concrete floor. Like, this is awesome.
Yeah.
I know it's just a rolling cage with wheels, but like,
it's one of those things where, yeah, it's there's just no custom solution for this sort of thing out in the market,
no.
and now there is, and yeah, we're happy about that. You
And
got
these
this over
are
here at
these
the
are
back.
big, heavy machines, man.
So it's really neat. You've got filament storage over there. I don't think I mentioned, but we've also got this little guy over here. So
It's a sweet.
we
little
have
drawer.
designed Gridfinity inserts. They're
Oh.
all available through the wiki. You just print them out, and it's got like all the most common stuff that you'd need. So if you get an HDD, there'll be the HDD or the H2 series of Gridfinity inserts.
Yeah.
So all the hot ends, your hex keys, etc. All
Well,
the spares,
Yeah,
accessories.
but I mean, Bambu has announced the H2C, and I would imagine
Yeah.
the accessories that come with that are going to be plentiful, and you'll need
Yeah.
a drawer to put them in.
So yeah, you got like that tool storage
Mhm.
and spare storage over there, and then you've got your AMS and your filament storage.
Well, I could like
that's
this.
cool.
I could imagine that lined up along a wall. So this is a farm solution, because then in a farm, if you ever have to service the back of the machine for any reason,
You just pull it out.
you just
Yeah.
pull it out and
Yeah.
it's good to go.
Yeah.
And usually the casters or the massive like butcher block style tool cabinets that you would use to put these things on, they're really expensive and they don't move like this. Like, I think this is a really cool
Yeah.
solution for the problems at hand.
So yeah, I mean, what is the price of
So can we get top dimensions, please?
top dimensions? Well, it's literally the H2 series.
It's this. So yeah. Oh, here we go. Look at this. I happen to have a metric tape.
Luke, there was a question, and someone said you should have the poop from the machine go into the case below.
We're getting to that. We're getting to that.
We're getting.
So
Wait. Line me up over there. Line
who's
me up
that?
over
Jake
there.
Train 2001. Jake Train. That is a very, very cool suggestion.
Like
And,
49, 50 cm by like 50. So like 50 by 50 cm ish. Yeah.
there you go. We have a little robot coming to attack us.
This is the perfect spot. Okay, bring Bender over. We have the shot on the floor right now. So obviously we get visitors here in the studio, and
we have one now.
Nerds. Hello, peasants.
Wait, can you turn the head separate from the wheels?
So long, coffin stuffers.
Here, wait. Bring it. No, come back. Here, wait. I'll move this aside just for now. And we happen to have Bender in his Bender mobile. He sold his body for cash.
Enough of your mindless chit chat. Let's get going.
You got to turn him around, man.
Yeah, but what's his face? Let's see the put him.
Come on, do a 3-point turn, 5-point turn. I don't know how skilled is Bender at driving. Oh, backwards. There you go.
Just
Oh.
as well we
Oh,
stuck
yeah.
those cables down. Is that printed? Look at you.
There we go.
My full name is Bender Bending Rodriguez. Get lost. I'd say don't quit your day job, but you're awful at that too.
You know, I didn't expect this level of calamity, but I mean, if this is perfect, like Bender should show up in every live stream. All right,
Prepare your lives, come on, and then kill yourselves.
Bender, we got to show off some more
Gracious.
stuff. Go do some wheelies in the parking lot.
Oh wait, you serious? You have to be hard.
All right. Well,
So this is
that was
actually
fun.
sized. You could put Bender in his mobile on top of this
In-
too.
you
in
could.
case you
You
needed to
could.
change the wheels or work on the radio, or Bender was hungry.
yeah, it's just so versatile. Uses that we didn't even think of.
So we got this up here.
So yeah,
Are there?
wait, that's
Is there more?
I don't think we showed. I mean, yeah, you wanna obviously run your cables for your AMS and your PTFE tubes. So you got this little grommet over here.
Oh, so you can put you
Yeah.
put your AMS in there.
Yeah, you can run 2 AMSs, like one on each.
Oh,
drawer.
one in each. Okay.
So I mean, if you've got a setup that's using 4 AMS units, you can pop 2 in there.
Yeah.
And as we're about to chat about now, you can pop that bad boy on
Oh,
top. And have the
yeah.
other
Let's
2
chat
in
about
there.
that because this is the
There you
perfect
go,
spot
right?
for this.
And what would a Panda product be without a little bit of RGB thrown in the mix? So we do. There is like
I
the.
see USB.
Um,
Did you just break my USB
I did not.
stick?
No, it's fine. I just knocked it a little bit. It's fine. Promise. We'll turn that on just now and we'll see. Yeah. So no, it's fine. I promise you, I didn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in. Can I
Is
plug
that no? That's a
it? Oh, that's not
JST.
USB. That's
That's
JST.
JST.
Oh, okay.
You could
okay.
plug it in, but then you genuinely would break your USB.
Well, I was just gonna say it would be the last time
Yeah,
I plugged
exactly.
anything into that port.
Yeah. So this actually comes with a Hall effect sensor on the door. So as soon as you pop open the door, there is lighting inside it that will light up
Cool.
like everything that's going on inside it, and you can see it. Yeah. So you were saying, yeah, use it as a farm solution. We launched it. Oh man, when did we launch it? Maybe a week and a half back.
Yeah.
And I've already got guys contacting me with their setups with these things,
Just
and-
lined
and-
up.
and that's exactly what they're doing. Yeah, just a whole ton of H series machines. They've got them on there, and they're using it as their little farm solution. One guy
It's such
has
a good
this
idea.
crazy idea of removing the top section, which you can do, and then stringing together like 4 of these things in a row and putting his own bench on top.
Sure.
He's
But at that point, you're paying the price of the big bench at the hardware store. So, but it's useful. I don't know.
yeah. So he's got his plans of what
All
he
right.
wants to do with them. Yeah. So it actually comes in 2 versions. One with the panels. So this is the Panda Station.
Yeah.
And then there is the naked Panda Station.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
No panels, as the name suggests.
You don't call it the P1P version.
Nah, naked Panda Station.
Naked
Felt
Panda.
appropriate
Sure.
at the time.
Naked Panda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's obviously a bit cheaper.
Oh.
Without the panels, So yeah, that's the two versions that it comes with.
Okay.
Let us pop the Panda Perch on top.
Oh, do it. Okay, so
And,
I gotta take this off, right?
There was the guy earlier. Yeah, we'll pop that off. There was a guy earlier who was asking about, can we not get the poop to go down into this, right?
Yeah.
So yes, we can, but let's get the Panda Perch, and
Okay.
we have another cool solution. Should we maybe just pull this out? Because I get the sense that at some point we're going to smash it.
You're
off.
just gonna go whammy right across the
yeah.
top.
I think it's just safer like that. All right, so let's pick this guy up.
Are you pick it up? Or do we pick it up, or
pop
do you
it
pick
on.
it up?
I'll pick it up. It's just aluminium. We're all good.
It's what?
Aluminium.
You're
Aluminum. I'm
adding,
sorry.
You're adding syllables.
I'm sorry. Okay, do you want to pop the lid off there?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Drop that in. And there you go. Just
Oh,
like
I see.
that.
And then the lead goes right on
Yeah,
top.
yeah.
Okay.
Pop it in.
Ooh.
This is the Panda Perch for the H2D series. Or the
H2.
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 Series. Yeah.
H2D, H2S, H2C.
And C coming soon.
Yeah.
And this gives you, should we bring this guy around?
Yeah,
again?
yeah. Put it on there.
You know, pop that on. Just line
Sure.
it up.
It's like a nice.
It's a little hat for your H series. Look at that.
I just want to make sure I'm in. There we go. Oh, okay. So I'm in.
Yeah.
I'm in. Okay.
Yeah.
So then I can plug that in. Having troubles, but it's okay. And then we'll get the adapter.
We'll get there.
Yeah, but
So you got two AMS slots here. I mean, you can see it over there, right? We got it on the P1S.
yeah.
You don't have to pop another 2 AMS. Yeah.
There it is. I don't know if we can. I don't know. Can you zoom out a little bit?
Okay, I was trying to track. Where you?
Oh, keep going left.
There you go.
Yeah,
There you
yeah.
We can switch cameras. There's a camera blocking.
Kind of a camera blocking us, but you can still. Well, you can't see Joel's head, but you can see the Panda Perch. There you go.
It's beautiful. Look at our two hands modeling it.
So someone asked, can I get my perch in blue instead of red? Why did we choose to go red?
Yeah, why did you choose to go red?
It does kind of jut out a bit. And when things jut out a little bit, people walk into them. Don't ask us how we know. So we decided to make it red.
Okay.
So that it's very visible. And yeah.
Oh, look at this.
And
And it hangs. It's got like suction cups.
Yes. So basically, we want to make sure that it sticks against the printer when it's running. They're little magnetic smooth mounts that we just haven't popped on yet, but
Oh, okay.
they're that side of the world,
Got it.
and the suction cups will stick up against those.
Oh,
So that way,
I
when
see.
things are going around, you're not going to be hearing
Yeah. But
Yeah.
but it
as it is right now. It absorbs.
it doesn't
all that
hang
shock.
past the bottom part of the like it's just
Yeah.
above it. So
Yeah.
man, this is like a battle station at this point.
So tactical printing, not scratching the printer. I don't know. Can we get a shot of
David can get
Um,
any shot.
David,
Got you, Luke.
producer extraordinaire? Can we get a shot of maybe like this? There you go.
Oh,
All right. Can you see the little suction cups?
Yeah.
So that's
I can see 'em
what's-
too.
That's what's sitting up against the printer. It's definitely not scratching it. It's actually physically not touching the printer at all anywhere. It's got these suction cups all the way along that
Other way. Rotate the other way just a little.
that keep it
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
keep it protected. There you go. So yeah. Now
Oh, I thought you were
let's-
gonna put the actual things on there.
what, the magnetic things?
Yeah,
I mean, we could pop one on, right? Like
if you want to.
it kind of, you do it like that.
Demo the product, baby. Yeah.
Come on, man. You know, it's one of those things.
Oh, any prices? That's a good point.
That's a very valid point. So the Panda Station, the full one with the internal lighting and the panels and all the rest, is $379,
Okay.
and the naked is $299.
$299 or $379 for the RGB experience.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is a 5% off link that Richard will be popping in the comments right now.
Do it, Richard.
Yeah,
Or
and
Eric,
as we were
someone.
saying earlier, you've got all those Gridfinity templates.
Oh
for
yeah,
these
look at that.
trays.
Yeah, Craig's saying that. That's great.
Yeah, that you can use. So
Okay.
you
Does that? Does that stick them
haven't-
now?
I haven't peeled the front of it off, but yeah, ultimately
Okay.
it should.
Okay.
But yeah, the point of them is to act as like a damper between the machine. So you don't want aluminium on plastic.
Right. No, I get it. I get it. Like it makes sense.
Yeah.
I like this. This is
and
cool.
it just damps the perch against the machine.
And so these
yeah.
things on the side, they can obviously hold an HT.
So who asked that early on? They were like, "Hey, can we get the poop to go into the bottom thing?"
Yeah.
But check this out. Let's
Oh,
spin
turn
this
it
bad boy
around. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is red. Good thing I saw it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And what we're busy working on now is just a little chute that'll come out here and just put it straight into one of the side HT things.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So you can just reach in from the side, grab it, and
Be done with it.
be done with it.
Yeah.
So that's one of the solutions you can use to easily just capture and get rid of your poop.
Boy, I whammied that. I feel bad now.
Man, you really got a hold of that.
Yeah. That's just the external spool holder. No one
Yeah,
uses that.
Yeah.
No
I
way.
use a printed one on mine anyway. So
Yeah, exactly.
we can
Exactly.
just-
See?
we can just
Yeah.
we can print these things. That's
I
what
know.
we do.
Print the future, man.
Yeah. So yeah, AMSHT. I mean,
Or a poly dryer.
Poly dryer. You got a poly
Oh,
dryer?
can you toss me a poly dryer?
Let's grab a poly dryer. Pop it in there.
Not this one.
Why?
'Cause I'm using, well, actually, yeah. Now we have to use this one.
Yeah, because thank you. Oh, and the dryer module. Yeah.
There you are.
There we go. Okay. Look at that.
Goodness gracious, we're gonna break
What is
everything in
going on here?
Someone actually said that earlier.
Oh, wait. It's backwards. Backward. Turn around. Turn around. There we go. Oh, geez. Not only the poly dryer, but the poly dryer with the dryer module. Like you could get a whole bunch of these and oh, this is fantastic.
Yeah. So that's it. Panda Perch. It is pretty cool. And one of the other things is we made these hex holes. So you can see you've got like these white things that we've already printed and popped on the side here.
I do see that.
Those are just for like decor right now, but they actually have a functional purpose too. So there's K2 Kevin. I don't know if you, so he's a maker. He's around. He'll be a 3D
He's
printer
the
here.
creator of the maker chip.
Maker chip. K2. That's our guy. Yeah. He has been designing a bunch of really cool add-ons for these hex patterns on the side,
Okay.
where you can mount extra tools, like stuff that you want to access quickly. I don't know, like a scraper or tweezers if you want to pull.
Yeah, all the stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
all the stuff. Just right on the side. Yeah, you just grab it, use it, and mount it back over there. So yeah,
That's
Panda
really cool.
Perch. There you go.
That's really cool. I like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, and just, I mean, for everybody watching, like where my H2S was, it was on a rickety table with a bunch of other crap on it, right next to producer David's like Red Bull and the He-Man hair, empty spools. This gives it gives the machine not just its own place in this world, but a highly accessible, highly functional place that could be used. Like I'm more excited about a place to put the machine than anything else, because as you could, I mean, behind me, I've just had to find flat surfaces to put things.
Yeah.
This is a flat surface to put things, but substantially better.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's crafted specifically around what you would need for a printer.
Yeah, for me
So
to
you've
build
got
this
it all there.
myself, I don't think I'd be able to.
Yeah. There you go.
Cool. I like
There
it.
you go. So that is the H2 series of things. We covered the Perch
We
and
cut
the
the perch
station.
and the station. That's
There is
right.
one other thing that
Oh.
is behind me over here. That is for the H2 series. So
Oh,
what
right.
if you're keeping your H2 series on the floor? Right?
Oh, on the floor. David, on the floor. Yeah.
David,
on the floor.
like our producer extraordinaire here, he keeps his on the floor.
Yeah.
On a cement paver.
On a
On a
paver,
cement
on
paver
foam,
on the
carpet.
floor.
on tiers.
The thing is that like it's you like you may want to clean under it, or you may want to clean behind it, or just you may want to be able to move.
Well,
the
again,
thing.
servicing these machines, if they're not on something that's mobile, is
Mhm.
difficult because you have to lift it, find a place for it.
So if you still want to make your machine portable, we did this. We did this, which is the Under Armour. So this, let me not
Oh.
break everything. See, it's red for a reason.
I mean, it didn't help you from hitting it.
There you go. All right. So Under Armour, I mean, I guess that picture, I don't know, can you see it? That picture demonstrates best what it is. So under these machines, right, you've got the belt system that you've got the one motor that is pulleyed to the lead screws, to the
Okay.
3 lead screws. We saw a few instances online where guys were putting their printer down and there was stuff on the table that they were putting it down onto and they didn't realize it. And the problem is that you got the weight of the printer now pressing down on that belt and pulley system on top of the stuff that's on the table as well.
Yeah,
And it
of
can
course.
cause damage.
Yeah.
And so we developed this thing called the Under Armour, which is, you know, its namesake.
Yeah.
It's the Under Armour. It's a big thick
Oh, is
metal sheet.
this for the e-stop button? For the
Yeah. So but this would go directly under the printer, right?
Okay.
So it's a big metal shield that
Yeah,
goes
yeah.
under the machine and it uses all the stock mounting holes. There's already mounting holes underneath there.
Oh,
So it protects all that bolt and pulley system under the printer, but it also gives you mounting points, really rigid, sturdy mounting points for the same casters that we use on the Panda Station.
someone said, Craig said you could put a Roomba under it and it'll make your printer just kind of go around your house.
I mean, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. That's the kind of thing that we want here, guys.
Oh, at the next Rep Festival, maybe if there's going to be an Under Armour.
I think we should have
at 3D
a
Printopia,
Roomba,
have
a
a
Roomba
Roomba.
H2S
Yeah.
going around doing its thing. Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
So
I think we
how
need
do
to, like-
mention Nomad's backpack system.
Oh, a backpack.
Oh, a chair on top so they can operate.
No, maybe. Yeah, the Under Armour could hold the chair that holds the human that has the printer on their back. It's possible.
Could be. So that's Under Armour. That is
Okay.
the last, I guess, of the Pandaverse for the H2 series.
All right.
Cost wheels. There you go.
Now, why would someone just buy these caster wheels for a homegrown solution or as a replacement?
So,
or...
so the casters don't come. This is just the metal shield. This is the box for the metal shield,
I
and
see.
that's the box for the caster wheel.
Oh, I got it. So this is that's Under Armour is literally the metal
Armour.
plate for
It is.
Underneath.
That's what I
Got
said.
it.
It is its
yeah.
namesake.
But it shows casters on the picture.
Yeah. So
H2D is the whole set.
but yeah, it's the whole thing that you get. Yeah, but they come in separate boxes. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, because you're not going to fit these guys inside the same.
No, of course not.
Thin boxes. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah. So
yeah. Okay. So
There you
the Panda Under Armour H2D is this and this. It is
Yeah.
these things. Okay.
there you go.
Cool.
That, my friend, is the H2D. Should we see if anyone's got any questions?
Yeah. I'm going to spin this and we'll check for questions. There we go.
H2 series don't have automatic leveling. Oh, it most certainly does.
When printer follow you. Oh, I could hope. Wait, the H2 series doesn't have auto bed
It
leveling.
very,
it,
very much
it,
does.
It super does. I don't know.
3D printing node for the EBB 36 Gen 2. Are the screw terminals larger than the current gen? Yes, they are.
What is the EBB 36 Gen 2?
That is a toolboard that we've been working on. Geez, when did we kick it off? That we kicked off when I went away for my wedding anniversary last year, and I was so excited about it. I keep sneaking in work, and my wife kept asking me, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "Just on my laptop, babe." You know. But yeah, it's a toolboard.
Okay.
A very cool toolboard for clipper machines that runs on USB and CAN using a single input.
Oh,
Our objective with that toolboard was to make it just like you can throw whatever you want at it, and it will survive. You can short the data lines to 24 volts. It should just be able to survive. You can run it up to like 75-degree chamber temperatures. It'll survive.
oh,
So yeah. EBB 36 Gen 2. That is coming out in like a week and a half from now. We've just wrapped up industrialization.
That's
for that
exciting.
month. Yeah. So we're super excited for that.
the 379 version does not include Perch, right?
It does not include
The Perch is a separate thing from the station.
Perch. Yeah, it's a different product. Yeah.
Okay.
So Perch, actually, you can buy in 2 versions. One that is just like the Perch, and then you can get the side modules with it, just depending on what your budget is. So,
Oh, you could, if you're just like, I have 2 AMS units and I don't need anything on the
You
side.
just grab this.
You just grab the
Yeah.
Perch.
You don't have to get it with all the side modules.
What's the price of just the Perch with the...
That, sir, is a mighty fine question.
There we
I
go.
am very much in engineering and not in sales. But we
Richard's
do have
checking.
Richard
There
over
we go.
here who will be able to tell us all these things.
Well, this is cool.
Yeah. So
All
we'll,
right, well,
we'll
while
get the
he's
Perch
checking
cost for
that,
you.
we should look at some other things, right?
Question.
David has a question. Shoot.
When is this available for purchase and when does it expect to ship?
Station is available. We have sold out in the US for the time being. They sold out in, I think, 1.5 days after launch.
Jeez.
Yeah, like I say, so we're going to refill in, I think, October 10th, the next batch lands.
Oh, that's soon.
Yeah.
That's Tron Day. That's the day Tron
that
comes out.
Aries?
Yeah, it's Aries. Yeah,
All
Tron
right,
Aries
cool.
comes out on
Looking
the
forward
10th.
to it.
So, and it's red. It makes sense.
There you go.
For these.
Have a price for the HD version of the Perch, but it's going on sale next month.
All right,
Okay, so next month on the website will be
Yeah.
a price, and
Yeah.
everybody gets to, even you get to find out then.
I get to find out how much we're selling it for. There you go, guys. So yeah, H2D Perch.
Okay.
That is, you will not be able to buy it. It will be marked as out of stock at the moment. The X1C P1S, that is available. I think that's 99.
But you know, there are discounts for the stream. What if someone wanted to get 5% off that?
We might have to offer a 5% discount on launch for like the first day of launch. Then.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll have to do something for the people. We'll
For
hook
the,
them
for the
up.
people.
For the people.
For the
Yeah,
people.
Yeah. That's a good point. All right. So
There we go. Okay.
everyone needs engineering sales support.
That's true.
It is true. Ajax, what is up, Ajax?
We should.
So Ajax is a good guy. You know Ajax. We work in collab with him.
Oh yeah, yeah.
TD1S.
The
You got a
TD1.
TD1S
I got
here?
it over here.
Look at that.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, that is the
That's-
TD1. That is the old school baby.
That's the old. That's right. That is the old school one. But it is a TD1.
That's the TD1.
That's TD1.
We worked on him. Worked on him.
Oh geez.
There's
man.
the jet lag coming out. We did not work on Ajax. We worked with Ajax to industrialize this basically.
Yeah, yeah.
And miniaturize it.
For mass marketing, right?
Yeah,
Or mass
yeah.
mass production.
I remember chatting to Ajax at 3D Printopia actually 2023, and he was busy soldering these up in.
Wait, Ajax 2023. That's when we put our video out. Yeah.
Yeah.
I still have mine.
We said the word. He said TD in the video like 74 times.
That's our Ajax.
That's Ajax, yeah.
And he was busy soldering these up.
Love
And I
it,
remember chatting to him and saying, Ajax, buddy, you are going to burn yourself up.
Additive Atom and TD1S we trust.
Yeah.
Hey, well, let's move this out. Do you think I could move it back here so it's in the background, just hanging
Yeah,
out?
let's do that.
Yeah, you take that. Watch out for the red things.
Mm-hmm. Just as well they're red.
You guys gonna stick with the A1? Or you guys should do it next.
Let's do the Den. We'll do the P1S stuff next.
Over here? Let's see what I can do with this camera.
We'll do that.
So we're repositioned here.
Just a sec, I have to stop this print. Okay, what?
You guys are coming on this, so I'm gonna use this camera too.
Oh, fantastic. Ah,
Good stuff. I guess we can come around yet, huh?
sure. Well, here, why don't? Good catch. Jeez, man.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
It does make the dream work. Like we have a power adapter going into a power adapter.
It's perfectly safe.
Well, I was
Don't
gonna-
ask any
well, let's
questions.
move this that
As long
way.
as it's not smoking.
Yeah, let's.
I feel like locking the casters and then trying to move the table is kind of defeatist.
This is. You've got the Panda Station. I've got the Joel Station.
Yeah. Well, this light's gonna get in the way.
Oh, then let's move the light.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh, I'm gonna move.
There we go. Look at that.
All right. So let's have a look at the
Is this movable?
Den.
Everything is movable.
Well, like just a little back.
All right.
Okay, you grab this.
I'll grab that side. You grab this
Okay.
side. You say when, Dave?
That's good.
All right.
Just want to try to give you guys a little more space here on this camera.
Yeah, I appreciate you. Hey, Bill.
Who we got here?
Hey, Joel.
Ajax, 3D Printopia, a few days. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we got some really cool stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the Panda Den. Let's kick it off with what the P1S is sitting on, all right?
Okay, the P1S is sitting on the Panda Den, and it has probably one of the coolest features that I've seen, because printer waste going out the back of the machine is the bane of my existence. And it's part of the reason why I just don't want to print multicolor on these machines, because I have to deal with the freaking waste
Yeah.
out the back.
So my wife uses my machines. I actually now have to book time on my machines.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
like that.
Do you have like a
But
scheduling
she-
app and like?
Man, well, yeah. It's more like the look. It's my time on the machines now. And she loves multicolor stuff, right?
Okay.
And every now and then I'll be like, babe, did you clean out the back of the machine? And she'll be like, yeah, absolutely. And I'll go and I'll look, and there's this pile and it's blocking up the chute. And okay, cool. Scrape it
Badness
out.
happens.
Scrape it out. And
You
so
need a Panda Den.
This is basically a marriage saver. This is what this is. So this is a Panda Den. And I don't think we're actually able to pivot this table.
We sure can.
The whole table, but we can rotate the den. So let's do that.
Yeah, just
Let's-
rotate it.
Let's do this. Sounds good.
Keep it up.
And there we go. Okay. So we didn't yank anything out.
No.
We're good.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
This
That's
is
your.
this is the magic sauce, right? There we go.
Mm.
This is the magic sauce. Can I say it?
Do it.
Okay. The poop comes out here and it goes into here because of this.
Done. And it doesn't get stuck at any point along the way. A
No.
lot of the problems that you find with these things that try to channel poop is they have bends channel poop. It's just, yeah, we're going to say it, guys. Just roll with us. They have bends along the way, and the layer lines can cause the waste
of course.
to get stuck along
Well,
it. And then
people
it
have
just
made like
backs up and-
these extravagant
Yeah.
conveyor belts to like make it go, and I'm
Yeah.
like, that's cool, but there should be a better way.
Our whole game plan was it must literally exit the chute and fall straight down,
Yeah.
touching nothing else until it hits metal, which it's not going to stick to, bounce off, and then that's it.
Which
done.
is what it's doing.
And that's why we designed it like this. You've
Oh,
got the
that's
hole
just
here.
in case there's like an errant flingy poop
Yeah, exactly.
coming out.
Those errant flingy poops, got to be careful of those, especially after a Five Guys. And and then yeah, down it goes into the chamber.
Into
What do
the
you do
chamber.
with it once it's there?
Well, okay, so let's establish multicolor printing. You have all of the printer poop has found its way into this metal box. How do you handle it? Right? Like this
How
is
do you handle it?
this is the coolest part. This
All right.
this is the coolest part.
Let's do it. Let's reveal it. Come.
Okay, do it.
Let's squeak this thing back into position.
Yeah, squeak it back. Keep going.
All right. So it is now in here in the drawer. And let's open the drawer. Do we break anything at the back? Are we good?
I think we're okay. Are we okay?
Lovely.
Oh. We have a power strip going into a power strip. Oh, yeah, the Cyclopsy looking thing.
There you go.
That's what it is. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, into the drawer. Into the friggin' drawer.
So as it happens, we happen to have one little poop in here.
Do
So
we?
we can actually demonstrate it. I don't know where that came from.
Well,
We
here,
must have
wait a minute.
purchased
Hold
it.
on, hold on. If we're going to demonstrate
All right,
this-
get some poops. Get some poops.
Hey, Bill.
While he's getting poops, I'm going to get some water.
Here we go.
He's got a box of poop.
I happen to... I have a
Who's
box
a
of
fellow
poop.
Australian? Benjamin Ray. No, man. I'm South African.
All right. The poop drawer is full of poop. It's just look at this.
All right.
Your wife has just done an amazing print, and
That's
you
a-
pull out this drawer, and you're like, wow,
That is
I love
fantastic.
your color choices.
There you go. However, it's getting full and we need to empty it.
Yeah.
So we need a trash can because that's where the poop goes.
Okay, I'll get one.
Or a box full of poop. Huh?
Or a box full
or
of
a
poop.
box full of poop.
There we go.
Hold on. Before you go there, I want to get the. I guess either shot. That's fine.
This shot's
And,
great.
There's a track.
There's a little trapdoor.
There's a
So
trap
we just
door on
kinda
the
go-
inside.
We make sure that we're lined up properly. And we open the trapdoor. And then we use the trapdoor to scoop the poop.
There you go. You're lined up. Scoop it.
And just like that, we're empty and good to go. Done. Trapdoor. Said trapdoor. Back in place. Magics. Just like that.
That is so good.
Yeah.
That is so good. I mean, I know there are lots of printed solutions that bring it to the side, but like this is metal. It's not going to stick to it. There's lots of room. Like,
Yeah.
how many different nozzle changes have you tested this capacity for?
Oh, I mean, you saw how much was in there, right?
Yeah, that was a ton.
I have not personally tested it
Okay.
and measured the number of nozzle changes, but I have run it for days and days, and it doesn't fill up. And
Really?
It doesn't back up. Yeah. No,
That's great.
It's got
Okay.
a ton of capacity.
Cool.
But the cool thing is, and you can't see it here now, this is actually fully compatible with the A1 as well. So if we just do a little lifty lift here without breaking anything,
I don't want to break
we don't
anything.
do
What
that,
am I doing?
do we? And
Oh,
can you see the little hole
I
on the
see
side
it.
there?
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So there's a hole right here.
I don't
and
know
that's
if you
where
can
the-
get that, Dave. I'm just like making sure we don't lose any AMS units while I'm doing this.
Well, here, wait a
Let's
minute.
pivot it.
Let's do that. Let's see. I'm gonna.
It does have.
There we
Well,
go.
all right. Let's. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Pop it down.
Oh, I see. P1, X1 anti-vibration foot, pad mounting here.
Yeah. So
A1 mini, waist chute extension mounting here.
there you go.
Look at that.
So that is for the A1 and A1 Mini. And there's a little printable part that you'll put onto the A1 that directs the waist to fall directly into that hole.
That's cool.
And then the same drawer captures it for them. Done, just like that. And then, of course, you've got tool storage. Tool storage at the front. Let's move this guy back on.
Yep. Keep going.
Boom.
And then I'll put the magnetic drawer on.
Yeah.
Okay. We are set to fling poo.
And you've got, again, just like whatever you want to pop in here.
Oh, and
Tool storage.
plate storage on the side?
Yeah, plate storage on the side. So that bolts onto the side, tool storage in the front. Boom. It's, like I said, there isn't stuff out there that is designed specifically for printers. You know, like you can get mounting solutions that are like an IKEA table or whatnot, but if you want something that is convenient and just for a printer, there it is now.
Well, if we talk about people that have multiple types of X1 or P1 machines, they're usually along a wall, backed up to the wall, and they have a lot of them, and they're doing production with them. And so how do you integrate a solution into a production environment? And you make it so all of the waste product is available without having to reach behind the machine.
There you go. And that's it. Yeah, plate storage on the side. That's just a little printable part.
Yeah, but that's handy.
Yeah, super handy. They're there.
But I would imagine in a production environment, maybe you don't need this, so they don't have to attach it.
Yeah, all optional. This is your base. That's
I
your
dig
Panda
it.
Den.
What's the price on that? Can you say?
Panda Den is $149.
Okay.
I
Available
believe it
now,
is
5%
$149.
off?
It is available now, 5% off. Richard is going to put the code in the chat. Yeah, you can grab it.
That's not bad.
Panda Den.
149 for this seems like like for me, if I had a number of these, it would be a small investment, but the time that I would recover over time would be immeasurable.
Yeah. I mean, you could print something that's probably cost you about 5 rolls of filament and a week straight of printing to do something similar. You know, what are you going to pay for 5 rolls of filament?
Well, anywhere between $50 to $100, probably
exactly.
for that type of filament.
And
that
for
you're
your
gonna use.
time that you're going to spend like a day and a half assembling the thing. And so in the end, you've just got this really cool, solid, robust solution.
Yeah.
That's out the box. You put it down and you roll with it.
Well, and you're not saying people don't DIY your own solutions. You're just saying if you don't have time to DIY or you don't have the capacity or you don't have the material, like this is available at I feel like it's a fairly equitable price, right?
Yeah, look, I mean,
and 5% off on the stream.
Yeah, I feel it's a good price. It's a good price for what you're getting. I mean, it's a solid metal piece. Like,
yeah,
it's a robust piece of equipment. Panda Den, and then of course Panda Perch.
Yeah,
for the
a lot of Panda.
A lot of Panda.
A lot of Panda.
That was a little decision we made probably like 2 years back. We were like, you know, because we came from the motherboard and the DIY scene, and we were like, okay, we've got the Manta range and then this range, and we're like, well, let's do a couple products for like Bambu machines as well. And what range are we going to call it? And we're like, Bambu. Panda's obvious.
Yeah, Panda works.
We got to do Panda.
I like it.
Yeah. So this is the Perch for the X1C and P1S, and pretty much the same principle that we looked at earlier on, except we don't have the side mounting things here. This is it. This is it. Because you know, there is no MSHT or anything like that.
Well, I'm wondering how many. Most of the people with a P1 or an X1 series machine have a single AMS on top. It's rare, but I think some have two. How many people have 3 or 4? Because I know that like this machine will do up to 4.
You know what? There are a bunch of people, but that's the cool thing about the Panda Station and the Panda Perch. If you were to use them both together, is you can store 2 AMSs in the station.
Oh, right, the rolly cart.
Yeah,
of course.
2 AMSs in there.
Yeah,
and then you pop
and then 2 up top,
the
and
Perch on top,
Yep.
and that's it. You've got the full 4 AMS solution just in
that's
full
cool.
mobile cart solution. Like it's convenient. It's great. It's neat.
It's neat to think about though the different products that you offer and how you can use them with these machines, and then someone using these in a production environment can go through and tally the cost and figure out, you know, what the business expenditure would be, and how long it would take to recover that in time, effort, and product. And really, like, I would imagine this is attractive to lots of businesses.
Yeah, I would absolutely think so. I mean, just like you say, you've got these things that are spitting out, as you can. Yes, yes, that is Richard's been playing. That is the Panda Status, and it does have a microphone on it. Because
oh my goodness! Oh wait, so if the printer's moving, then this is.
Yeah.
I bet that'd be cool once, and then you would turn it to something else.
Which is
Probably, yeah. So the other mode that it can operate in, he's controlling it wirelessly.
Yeah.
So like I said, all the Panda products have wireless.
Oh, if
Wi-Fi
you had a
on.
bunch of these and you were playing music in your shop, you would have.
Yeah,
you know,
they were all kind of synchronous
Yeah, they're all
together,
kinda-
do their thing. There's a bunch of guys that have bought them and done that, and
Really?
posted videos online of music in their shops, and they're all kind of
that's
doing
cool.
their thing together. It's
Okay.
fun. Like I said, a lot of this that we're going to show is organization, mounting,
stack the.
but it's also
AMS.
just fun. I have
Oh,
2
can you-
AMS and a
Can you put a perch on top of a perch?
like an Inception perch.
Perception.
Perception. Stack the AMS. No, we can't put a perch on top of a perch.
Someone says, I feel like it's overbuilt for the use and that makes it expensive. I don't know. Overbuild. It's difficult to say if something's
I mean,
overbuilt.
you're putting your printer on it, right? You don't want to have something flimsy.
Yeah.
It's sitting on top of it.
Can you make it out of cardboard?
Like we could, yeah, like we.
Oh,
we.
Panda Breath. Everybody's look at Panda Breath.
Panda Breath
Panda Breath
when, guys. Panda Breath, we want to give you a good product. That is why we have not released it yet. The Panda Breath has been through no fewer than 3 design iterations. So it's on the final one now. It's going through all the different types of approvals and beta testing. But
Yeah, you don't want to
looking good.
short one of those in someone's machine.
so that's part of the approvals and beta testing. Like the Panda Breath is really well protected. We've got the entire chassis, which is metal, is earth and grounded. So like you can touch that, because there was, I'm not going to mention the particular brand, but a while back a brand did release a chamber heater and there were AC elements of it that you could just touch.
Oh,
Like,
I think I remember that.
which wasn't fun.
Yeah.
For anyone who did so happen to do that.
Mains voltage is not kind.
Yeah. So like Panda Breath, you cannot do that with it. You cannot just touch it. And the chassis is earthed. So heaven forbid anything actually shorts internally, it's going straight to earth and it's not going to you.
It's properly grounded. Good.
Yeah, it's properly grounded. And then we put sort of software and hardware thermal protection on it as well. So if it rises above a certain temperature it's a PTC, so it can't run away. But also if the temperature coming out of the PTC, of the air coming out of the PTC is too high, there is a hardware cutoff switch that will just cut.
Oh,
power
it's
to
just
it completely.
really. Oh,
Yeah,
oh, cool.
it just shuts it off. So there's like a ton of protection on the thing. And all that is stuff that we had to like get to through multiple design iterations. So it's coming next month, the month after, next month. I think next month. Yeah. Does it poop in the drawer? Mark V, it most certainly poops in the drawer. That's the point of it.
Yeah. Here, wait. Okay, watch
Well,
this.
I mean, it poops out the back.
Okay.
but
Let
then
me know
we
when you got it,
direct-
I
David.
can see inside the drawer. I can see kind of.
Okay, I'll tell you what. How about we do this? Give me some of that poop.
Well, no, I'm gonna poop in the drawer.
Well, I'm going to put it through here, through the chute itself.
Oh, through the chute
Yeah,
itself.
let's go.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to
it's
play
just-
around here.
That's like a.
Yeah. Okay, so just so you can see, the drawer is empty.
Drawer's empty.
All right, close up on the drawer.
Okay.
I feel like we're doing a little magician trick here.
I feel like
Oh.
we're doing some magic. Yeah.
And we're gonna force feed this now. And it goes.
You want to do it?
Ah, that is sharp poop. Let's do it through here.
There you go.
What does this sound like? It's like one of those arcade
Oh.
games.
That's because I put it on upside down.
Oh, did you put it on the wrong way around?
There you go. No, we're good now.
All right.
No, we're good.
Is it magnetic in the back?
It's magnetic. Yeah, you can just pop it off and on if you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll
I'm
pop a few more
magnetic.
down the
I'm
chute.
magnetic. I made it upside down.
All right, so I've just shoved a bunch of poop down there, and
The audio from this is going to be fantastic.
you measured how many times Ajax said TD1.
I know.
We're gonna literally measure how many times we said poop. Have we got that? Probably not. But what we can do is just do a little scoop here, and there you go.
Look at that.
And for you who are asking, yeah, we can just grab the box, open the trapdoor, scrape it out, and there you go.
Whoa.
Pop the trapdoor back in.
Closed. What about
Done.
what about the screen of the P1S? You guys have an upgrade for that, don't you? I
Yeah.
know it's not here, but
That's
like
Panda
this
Touch.
is a potato.
It's not the prettiest screen. So we do have the Panda Touch. So Panda Touch is it literally came into existence because we were at Murph 23 and we were watching a guy fiddle with this thing. And it just occurred to us like there has to be a better way.
Yeah.
It's a really great printer, but the UI is not great. And then he wanted to configure the filament and he was like, oh, I can't do it from the screen. I've got to go back to the machine now and configure the filament I've just put in. And we're like, okay, wait, hold up. We'll figure this out. And then we released, I think about 6 months later, the Panda Touch, which took care of all of that.
Yeah.
It was we blitzed that development, yeah. And yeah, so that's a screen that gives you the control to when you pop a different filament into the AMS, you get to configure it directly from the screen, control the motion of the printer, start prints, control prints from the screen. It basically gives you the X1C experience from the P1S.
That's perfect. And then Rich was going to put a sticker here, but he said something else goes here.
Yeah, I guess we can show that. Let's just mention for the sake of the audience, the Panda Touch, Bambu did implement their authentication firmware.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. So we want to mention that here. Panda Touch, if you want to run it in cloud mode, that means that you still get Bambu handy. You need to make sure your firmware for the P1S is running on, I think it's 01.08.01.
Okay.
Yeah, anything above that, they've implemented their authentication. So
okay.
it locks you out.
Yeah.
And you won't be able to use Handy and the Touch.
Can you go
You
back?
will still be able, yeah, you can roll back to that.
Okay.
Regardless of what firmware you have, you can go back to that particular version of firmware. You will still be able to use the Panda Touch on later versions of firmware, but you have to run it in LAN-only mode.
Oh, I
mode.
see. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's just one caveat with that. Yeah. Should we show the Panda alarm? We've got that over here, do we? Rich, do you want to grab the Panda alarm, buddy?
Here, while you're
Here it
grabbing
is,
that,
here it is, here it is.
let's see.
Here you go.
I use one Panda Touch for my multiple P series printers. That's right. You can talk
10 printers up to on one touch.
Yeah.
That is the cool thing. And it's got a beautiful little grid. You just basically select, I want that machine, and the whole interface changes to that machine.
And in thinking in a production environment, that's really handy to have
that's neat.
one.
I use it exactly for that.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is that as you change between machines, you've then got the recent print history for that specific machine available on the screen, and you can just be like, cool, I want to bang that out.
Oh,
Boom,
boom,
you just,
boom, boom.
once it's there, it's like, that's, I rarely actually have to go back to Studio for stuff that I have already printed. It's just there, it's all through the screen. I just want to
that's
print it
cool.
again, pop it on, done, good to go. This is the Panda alarm, also pretty useful for people with the farm. So
The Panda what?
alarm.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's actually got a little speaker in it, and it kind of just mounts over there, and it's very Tron Ares-esque.
It is, yeah.
There you go. So I haven't secured it. It's got
No,
a
no, but I'm
piece of
just-
adhesive.
Oh, it's got a little.
But it's got a little RGB strip, and that will light up according to the status of the printer. Again, wirelessly connects.
Ah,
So if you've
okay.
got an error, just glance.
yeah.
Cool. We got a problem here. This thing is flashing red. It means that, you got a farm of things. You just glance. Okay,
So
that one's good. That one's good.
This though.
So complementary.
Okay.
You don't have to put both. It depends on what you want. This one has a speaker in it though.
Oh,
So this will actually make an audible alert to let you know there is a problem. This one doesn't.
got it.
So
Okay.
so that's kind of the difference between them.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
There's an empty plug on the back. Just look in.
Can it send a notification to you as well?
The alarm? No, the alarm won't send the notification to you. That would probably be done through Handy, or yeah, exactly, through Handy or through Studio. But if you're in your printing environment, right, and you've
Yeah.
got a bunch of machines busy going, I often miss alerts that pop up.
That's
It's
fair.
super easy to just hear this, even if you're somewhere in your house and
Yeah.
you'll hear this thing going off.
That's handy.
All right, great.
I got to
No
mention this. Andrew Rogers with 1999. Are you out of your friggin' mind? For Council of Andrews, get yourself a frosty beverage fund. So I have a number of Andrews who visit the channel. Andrew Rogers, one of the Andrews, they are part of the Council,
Council
of
of
Andrews.
Andrews.
The Council
Yeah.
of Andrews.
Frosty beverage.
And so 1999 from the Council of
Andrew
Andrews.
Rogers, look at
Thank
you go.
Thank you
Wow.
very much. That
What a
is very
guy.
kind of you.
Yeah. So that's the alarm.
Okay.
Rich, where is the available slot for the alarm?
Power adapter.
Are we going to plug this thing in? Should we do it?
All right, look at this. Doing it live.
Let's do it.
Oh shit.
Let's keep it PG. What did you do? Did you turn it off? All right.
That's all right. That's all right. It's fine.
We're doing it live and then we go and turn it all off. Anyway.
See, now it's...
screw that.
Boy, you can really outfit this machine with a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Get it. Is this yeah, there you go.
Get it in there. Come on.
Huh. Cool.
What?
Done.
Check cheaper.
Tech Cheaper. With the speaker, can you make the P1 and X1 series make a fun song when the print finishes, like
You
the
can
A1 series?
it.
You can upload whatever you want.
Oh my gosh, anything. You can have any sound
Yeah.
play. Any sound play. That is fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah. You just the little web UI, you pop whatever you want up there.
Audio from your favorite video.
I was just going to say, if anybody has one of these and uses audio from one of the 3D printing nerd videos, please tag me and I will share that because that would be rad.
All right, so let's plug this in. This is a very hacky temporary install. Nothing is stuck down, but
You need,
at least we'll get
you need
it
a Panda
on, right?
power bar to
There you
power
go.
all these things. Okay, that's cool.
There you go.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty. It's pretty.
Very pretty.
And of course, RGB. So
Yeah,
you
of
hop in.
course.
So Panda power by that.
You yeah, there is a Panda power bar.
Oh, there is a.
You need a Panda. Well,
Joel, can you kill that key light?
Yeah.
let's see if we can get this to pop a little bit more. Huh?
There you go. A little bit.
There you are. Yeah.
There you go. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go.
You get
3D
some
printing.
lights on the inside.
3D printing nerd after dark. There we go.
Yeah, so that's it. Right now it's just running through, like, I've just plugged it in, so it's not bound to the printer.
Yeah.
It's just sort of running its default motion, but any color that you want. And once it's bound to the printer, it'll actually follow the status of the printer. Are you
That's
trying to
really
connect
cool.
it? All right, that is the Panda
I
alarm.
can play the sound out of the A1's control box because it's the same.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to.
Is the discount code for the alarm posted? Tech Jeeper, look
With
at
a
you
fiver.
go.
Party like it's 1999 when $5 would actually buy you a frosty beverage. The Council of Non-Andrews.
Non-Android.
I feel like there's a war brewing.
Yeah, so let's see. In fact, RGB LEDs increase the skill on gaming PCs. And
Is
the
it
printing
RGB or just
performance
B?
on 3D printers? It is a fact. It is a fact. Sebastian, you speak nothing but the truth. You will achieve at least 2,000 millimeters per second squared faster by putting RGB on your
Oh yeah,
printer.
RGB. Yeah, yeah.
It's a known fact. You can't argue with science. Yeah. Just in case anyone's wondering,
Yeah, that's science
that
right
is an
there.
absolute lie.
That's
Do not
100%. That is
trust
a-
me when I
That
say
is science.
that.
And people need to remember during the stream, the showcase of all these things, 5% off.
Yeah. So, Rich, as we mentioned products, he's going to be in the background popping codes on. So, you grab those codes.
Whatever that is.
Is that the alarm?
That is.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can hear that,
Well,
but
here, let's see if I can get a microphone over there. There we go. Can you hear it? Yeah.
So these are just a bunch of default sounds.
Can you make it sound like a TARDIS?
You can put whatever you want in there.
There we go. Cool.
Done. So, what else we got? We got the Panda Status. Did we speak about the Panda Status? We did a little bit. Huh?
We did a little bit, yeah.
But did we put the discount code?
Yeah,
All right. So, David is...
No, so, Tyler was asking about the code.
5% off code isn't working for Panda Station.
It's not working for Panda Station. Tyler, where are you trying to buy it from? There's poop everywhere because we were busy putting poop everywhere.
We did put poop everywhere. Yeah.
Where are you?
All right, Tyler, we are currently
from?
investigating.
Just make sure that you're trying to grab it from the, I think it's the BIQU.equipment site, huh? All the RGB, fix them, dude.
Yeah.
All the RGB.
Yeah.
Look at it in all its RGB glory.
Oh, yeah, right up in there. Look at that. That is nice.
Yeah. So let's speak about that.
Okay, what is it?
That is the Jetpack version 2.
Jetpack. What does it do?
So it's a lightweight toolhead cover. I could probably just gently pop it off.
Okay, let's take a look.
Yeah, lightweight toolhead cover. I'm going to dangle it a bit down so it's easy.
Oh,
to see.
I see.
There you are. Yeah, so you can see it's like a skeletonized toolhead cover.
Yeah.
With a four-way duct. So instead of just blowing from two sides, we now split the air into 4 different streams.
Okay.
And come at the nozzle from all angles, and a little bit of RGB in there just to light things up. Again, you can set that RGB to be a beautiful little rainbow.
I would be disappointed if it wasn't RGB.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or you could make it like track the printer. One of the cool things with this is we designed into it this like safety feature for schools and for households where there might be kids. So as soon as your bed or your nozzle goes over a temperature that you can set, I think we set it to like a default of 60 degrees Celsius. So as soon as it goes over there, this can just light up red to let you know.
Oh,
like,
it's the hey, I'm hot, don't touch.
Yeah,
red.
Hey, I'm hot,
yeah.
don't touch.
That's
like,
what it's currently on right now.
Yeah.
So green is
so green is.
Oh, green is good.
make
Yeah.
the nozzle hot, it'll go red.
Yeah. So if we heat that bad boy up,
Yeah. Let's see if I know how to do this. Nozzle.
Kill the light again.
you really need a Panda Touch. All right, so
Okay,
it is
I'll
it is
kill the
heating
light.
up. I'm gonna actually pop this off, so it's easier for you to see.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ooh.
So we got the
Oh,
look
there
at
you
that.
go.
That is evil. Come on, Dave.
Okay,
Yeah.
I cut the power. It'll take a while to.
All the RGB on Earth, but that's a pretty cool feature. Like if I had kids, I'd probably want to be like, guys, you know, when this thing is red, don't touch.
Well, the temperature's going down. We should see it go back to green at 60, right? So we're at 88.
What's the default? 50 or 60? 50. Okay, so the default's 50.
Okay, we're at 85 right now.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I mean we're at 84, 83, 82.
Carry the 2.
And blow it. Blow some of South African air on that.
Turn on the aux fan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at you being smart.
Yeah.
Yeah. How exactly do we do that
I don't
with the UI?
know. I don't know. That's temperature.
This is why the Panda Touch exists. Is that
Oh,
there you go.
man.
done? Boom. All right.
It's trying. Okay, we're at 60. Not that much longer. We're gonna do it.
Don't block the shot.
How you doing, Luke?
You're fine now. Come on, you can come hang out. Just don't stand in front of the camera. That's fine.
I didn't realize that was the camera.
Oh yeah, it's all good.
It's fine.
What do we have?
53.
53. All right.
Yeah, I
Let's
want to see it change. I want to see it change. 52.
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's gonna happen.
51, guys.
Oh wait, put it back. Put it back.
Don't cut us out.
Yeah.
Very good, guys. So there you go.
Wow, that's team
That's how that
effort.
little
That
feature
was
works.
team effort, man. I didn't even know this fan menu existed.
And now you do.
Oh, look, there's an AMS menu.
Really?
Or you can reset the ID.
That's
Okay,
it. All
super useful.
Yeah.
Again, it's a potato.
Yeah. Yeah. So let me do something here. And
What are we doing? Oh. Oh, yes. There's the poops and the
right.
the things. They
so
fall
the
into the
things
bottom.
they fall in the bottom, right?
Okay.
As much as we try to prevent it from happening, they do.
Yeah.
And it gets pretty irritating.
Yeah.
Frustrating after a while because it's just kind of everywhere.
It is everywhere.
All right.
Yeah.
But we can just kind of grab this bad boy and pull it out and empty it now.
Oh, it's just like a silicone mat.
It's a little silicon mat. Just makes our life that much easier. You know, for all the stuff that
Wait. Oh, I was gonna show. Did you guys see how much stuff was on there?
we
There
can
you
put
go.
it
Look
back
at it.
again.
It's silicone. It's silicone.
Yeah. So it just
Okay,
cleans
good,
it all
good,
up.
good.
Yeah. That is the. Guess what the name is. All right. You
No,
have to
I can
guess what the
see
name
it.
is.
I can
no.
see
You can see it. Dang it.
No,
No, it's not called the Panda mat.
it is
Okay,
not.
so if you wanted something to catch poop, what would it be called? Poop catcher. Come on, you're meant to be the creative director here.
Tyler's got it. Tyler's got it.
Tyler says
Tyler-
the Panda Dapper. Tyler, you are on point. That's the point, right? Like it's the Panda Dapper.
I like poop catcher.
Yeah, it's simple, but it's
From Homestar Runner,
it's convenient, right?
right?
That's
You
handy
just,
though.
Yeah, you just pop it in there.
That's
and then,
super
like,
handy.
all those little wispy bits that
Yeah.
like go on the bottom and it's like
Well, either that or you would need a vacuum to get
Yeah,
it out.
exactly.
Yeah.
actually we were like there's like skunk works where you play around with crazy
Oh, I'm sure
ideas.
you have a Panda vacuum. Don't
We
you?
were thinking about like a tiny little Roomba that cruises around the bottom. There's some things that are just too far though. You're just like okay,
That
that's
sounds
that's
like
great
a
idea.
project that you should develop and bring to like a rep.
Exactly,
festival.
right?
Like,
Here's
take
my
that to
little
Murph.
Roomba
Yeah.
busy like cleaning things up at the bottom.
The Panda Roomba.
I think, come on, guys, all dialed in. At the next,
It's a tiny little robot at the bottom of your
Armour
printer.
RF.
Yeah,
let's have someone with the little tiny Panda Roomba.
that'd be
I
great.
think that'd be fun.
All right.
So you got Panda Dapper. That's it's just it's
How much
super
that
convenient.
cost?
That's really cheap. I think. What's the Panda Dapper? It's like
Single digit.
is it single digit? I think it's like maybe like $19.
That's not simple.
Or, let me check.
Yeah,
5% off.
5% off.
5%
Everything's
off.
5% off. Rich is going to put there. Richard will tell us.
Just use a leaf
what
blower.
it is.
I like it.
The crap catcher. Are we allowed to say that on stream?
You can say crap.
All right, good.
You can say ketchup.
I don't know. I mean, it's South Africa versus America. In South Africa, that flies. No one cares about it, but I don't know.
The crap flies.
Yeah. Well, the crap does fly often. Yeah. $21.99.
Oh, that is not single digits.
Well, with 5%
Ah.
off, it is closer to $19.99, like I said. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, so that's Panda Dapper.
Okay.
Little silicon mat. What else have we got for the P1S? We had better sort of get off the P1S because we got the A1 still to show.
Yeah, we still got.
I
the
want
A1
to show
film.
you this. We've got it on the table here, and I'm going to bring it through.
What do we got?
This is the Panda Bambu feeder. So,
What?
what? This is pretty cool because it can be used not just with bamboo machines. This can be used with like any DIY machine. So you get friction in a Teflon tube leading to a hot end, right? And that, depending on the strength, the pulling strength, the feeding strength of your hot end, can result in print artifacts. So what this does is you would mount this on the outside of your machine somewhere, and you just push your filament in there, and it will automatically feed it all the way through.
And
And it's actually got a buffer built into it. So
I'm gonna switch.
There
to
you go.
This camera get some closer shots.
okay.
yeah, you can.
I get it. I get it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is its own little tightly integrated buffer system.
In this area, I'll just shoot there.
And that'll just feed your filament through. So
You can see.
if you don't have an AMS on your P1S, what this will allow is, in theory, infinite printing because you can chain up to 4 of these together.
Oh.
And you can see that guy over there. So you've
Yeah.
got the hub. One will feed in. As soon as it runs out, the hub will detect that, communicate with the next Panda Bambu feeder and say, hey, I've run out. You feed through now. So then it will feed the next through.
Oh.
And then you can just reload the first. And
Okay.
you just cycle it through. So yeah, I mean, you can just keep sort of going and cycling through. depending on the size of the
So
print that
if
you're
you
working
don't
with.
have an AMS,
Yeah, look, this one gets you multicolor printing.
Hold it so they can use this as a
Sorry.
monitor, so you can kind of-
There you go. All right, so that's your hub for the Panda Bamboo feeder, and that is the Panda Bamboo feeder. Yeah, and like I was saying, basically it also gives you auto loading on a P1S. So basically, you just put the filament in, it figures out that filament is there,
Yeah.
pushes it all the way to the hot end.
oh yeah, pushes
Um,
away the hot end. That's when the buffer kicks in. The buffer fills up, and then it cuts the feed because it knows it's out of spot.
Exactly, it knows that it's there, and then yeah, if you say load on the machine, it'll detect that you're trying to load and automatically push it through.
Right? That's cool.
If you say unload on the machine,
That's
it'll detect
cool.
that and also retract it all the way out. So it just sort of automates that whole process.
Okay.
But the cool thing is, yeah, it's fully compatible with Clipper machines as well. So it'll do the
Really?
same stuff with all, with all your
Oh,
other DIY open source machines. So
That's
it's
handy.
a pretty versatile little tool. And yeah, automatic switchover. So as soon as one runs out over there, on your hub, sorry, David is like, look at the screen. Yeah, it'll detect that and switch across.
that's really cool.
Yeah. Panda Bamboo feeder. So
How much does that cost?
that is not released yet. That is not released
Oh,
yet. We are still busy wrapping that one up. Much like the breath, that is being wrapped up.
Oh, okay, what's the timeline on it?
Bamboo feeder is late November.
Okay. Oh, this year.
Yeah.
For Form Next?
Yeah, and for Form Next, we're going to have a really cool setup going on.
Yeah.
The Panda Cyborg prototype version
Oh,
What is it?
is going to take this bad boy
Yeah.
and turn it into a clipper machine. Just because
You're
we can.
finally gonna come out with
Yeah,
that?
yeah, it's coming.
Oh my
It's
god,
coming.
dude!
Yes,
yeah. All
Panda
right.
Cyborg's coming. So some of the cool things that it's going to do. This is sort of limited to 100-degree bed temp. It doesn't have to be, but it is.
Yeah.
That's going to give you the full 120-degree range.
Okay.
That you get on the X1C.
Oh.
You get a super low frame rate out of the camera inside here. It's like half a frame a second. That's going to jack it up to like, I don't know, like 10 frames a second.
Yeah.
So you get a proper stream. Plus, you can put a 108op camera in if you want.
Oh.
Replace the 720. You can put
Okay.
108op. Yeah, you'll be able to run 48-volt motors. It's going to have a chamber sensor, temperature.
Is it
humidity.
just take board out, put board in?
Yeah. It's just take board out, put board in.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We're using all the existing machine plugs, wiring, everything. It's take board out,
Okay.
put board in, and you've got a machine to have fun with. And the thing is right, P1S has been on the scene for a while now. There's a lot of people sitting with it. They've had it for 2-3 years, and they're like, is it 3 years already? Maybe 2 years, 2.5. And they're like, okay, cool. It's out of warranty. I want to have a bit of fun with it.
Yeah. Well, even the P1P series, right?
Yeah, let's have some fun. So
Same potato.
that's going to be at Form Next.
Okay.
That's going to be one of our
Oh.
showcases at Form Next.
Okay.
We are excited for that. But that's beside
I'm
the point.
excited for that. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Actually, you remember John?
Proper printing? Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw this recent video where he
Yeah.
on whatever,
So
the
that was
Bambu.
like, we were chatting with him earlier this year and we're like, look, we're working on this thing. But he was like, that's cool. I'm just going to hack at it and and make it work.
That's
And
what
in
he
true-
enjoys that.
Yeah, he does. And in true John style, he pulled it off. Like,
Well, and it was crazy to see too, and that really lends itself to how easy it'll be to upgrade because he was like things just fit, like components were working. It wasn't difficult.
yeah. So I mean, he went all out, right? Like he
Yeah.
bored his own nozzle and all
Yeah.
the rest in true John style. Like, yeah, we're just gonna have something where you pop the boards out, you pop the new boards in. It's gonna have eddy current scanner in it as well. So instead of
How hard will it be to mount the eddy current sensor?
manually, it's built into the toolboard. So there will be a toolboard replacement. You will take off this toolboard
Oh,
and you'll put a new toolboard on, and it is built into the toolboard. So you just put the toolboard on, and there's a little L-shaped kicker underneath it, and that's the scanner.
eddy
yeah,
current
it'll just do
sensor
it.
for bed leveling on this
Yeah.
machine.
Yeah, it'll be.
Done.
You don't have to wait your 7 minutes before
No.
the print for it to. It's just going to do the.
That's
scan and you're
cool.
good to go.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. So there's a lot of cool stuff coming with the Panda Cyborg. We're excited about that.
Now,
Form
is
Next
the
will be
Panda
network.
Cyborg specifically for Bamboo, or can anybody with a DIY machine take advantage of it?
I mean, look, technically you could, but it is to make sure that it is drop-in replacement. We've had to use all the same connectors that
Yeah, well,
Bamboo machines. So you could take that, you could use it on a DIY machine.
I'm just wondering because there's people that have cloned the Bamboo machines.
Really?
I mean,
Okay, fair.
yeah. I mean, would those benefit from that? Do you think?
If they use the same connectors, yes, but I think a lot of those just use standard JST
Oh,
connectors.
okay.
So, you know, you could take like a Manta E3 Easy, one of our normal
Yeah.
boards, and pop that in there, and it would be. I know there's a whole forum for one of those machines that's in the background here.
Yeah.
On Discord, and literally the guys are out there busy putting Manta E3 Easies in them and all
Really?
kinds of other boards. Yeah. And they're like souping them up, making it really cool. What do we got going on in the comments?
When?
I knew it.
When? Oh, X1 carbon compatible.
The Cyborg is not X1
Why?
carbon compatible just yet,
Oh,
because they're two very different products if you're going to make something for the X1 carbon versus the P1S. So the P1S has its AP board over here, tucked around the back. X1 carbon has its AP board tucked around the top here. So your wiring is quite different.
okay.
So they are two separate products. It is likely that we will pursue the X1 carbon version, but there is also more to go for with the P1S. So like P1S is, what is...
Someone left a comment. What does Bambu think about this?
I mean, it's your hardware, right? Like if you wanted to take your Apple iPhone and do something with it, or whatever hardware you buy and do something with it, or your car, like your Subaru, right?
Yeah.
And you want to trick that thing out and you know, whatever you want to do to it. No one's going to be like, hey, what does Subaru think about that? It's your car.
but I know if I'm going to do that, my warranty is voided.
Yeah,
So then, because you're focusing on this, a lot of them are out of warranty. So it makes sense to like tinker.
Yeah, exactly. You guys are going to have fun with it. So I mean, it's your hardware, guys. Have fun with it. David, what are you zooming in on there, bro? Okay, the A1. Let's get my water out of here.
Oh, is it time for the A1?
Yeah, I think it's time for the A1.
Do we need to put the P1 away? Or
yes, Tyler rightfully says that will void the warranty. We did at the beginning add a disclaimer saying none of this stuff. This stuff is different though, right?
All of this stuff right here.
This will not.
Well within the warranty.
The Panda Cyborg.
The Cyborg. The thing in November at Formnext
will void
will 100% void a warranty if you still have one on it.
So be aware of that. What do we got, Tech Jeeper? When you blow the head gasket in your Subaru, you don't have to put a Subaru brand one back in.
Yeah,
exactly.
There you go. Yeah,
exactly.
See, I have not blown the head gasket in my Subaru, so hush. No,
let's not.
All right, A1.
All right. So A1. Here we are.
A1. Can you see me?
This then, or you want to leave that just so you're on camera, Joel?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to figure it out. Do we want to put this on the floor?
We can, yeah.
All right.
Watch your backs.
Well, here, let's take a moment. Like, look, go scan. Let me start unplugging some things, and why don't we take a moment to just kind of see what people are saying?
You got some random people here too.
What do you mean?
Well, not random. But we
It's not random. Bill, come in.
Yeah.
I'm going to take this printer down. I need you to talk to people and say hi.
Should I get my robot?
If you want to, yeah. Robot break. Okay, I unplug some stuff.
Is this connected at the back there?
Yeah, stand by.
Do you want to pop that bad boy out?
Stand by, and
that PTFE, let's pop it open.
yeah.
Pull it.
Got it. There we go.
Done.
Yeah, you are free. You are free to remove.
Bender incoming.
Have you got it? Just, yeah, I think grab it at the bottom.
Where'd Bill go?
He's getting Bender.
Oh, okay. We're taking. It's a robot break.
Yeah, they're essential.
It's a proper robot break. Okay, this is. What does this go to? This USB?
That USB was powering the Status.
Ah, the
So
Status.
yeah, we
okay.
just unplug it.
Okay.
Oh, one of the things that we didn't actually mention about the Panda Den was that it has a little side-mounted spool holder
Oh yeah,
for external spools, which is cool because generally it's mounted at the back, which is a pain in the ass to get to. Right?
It is, yeah.
Like now it's side-mounted, so it's
Yeah.
that's cool. Hello, Bender.
Bender's not on the screen right now.
He's not on the screen, yeah.
Can we pick up Bender?
Like lift him up.
I don't know. I want people to be able to see him. He's rad.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
You have enough room there?
What do you use? Is this just filler that you use to get it so smooth?
Yeah, lots of sanding
Lots.
and filler primer
All right.
and sanding. And I use the catalyzed primer on there to really give them a thick coat.
Hang on, let me move that machine back.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Robot break.
There you go.
Well, let's not break the robot. It is
No, I'm sorry, not robot.
perched. It is perched awfully close to the edge of that
Yeah.
table.
Yeah, but Bill's a skilled driver.
Yeah.
I want to put tape on his tires so their sled can get him to donuts.
Oh, that would be fun. Here, wait. I want people to be able to hear you. Okay, robot break. Okay, Bill.
This is my robot. This is an episode of Futurama where Bender sells his whole body, and for one scene, he drives around in a little car before he crashes it. So I spent the last year making that.
Yeah.
Guys, come around so we can see your faces. Like, go behind Bender.
Oh yeah.
Oh, behind Bender.
I built him for Dragon Con, and we there we go. And we just had that. So
There we go.
he flew to Atlanta, and he made people smile.
Did you have to buy a seat for him in the airplane?
No, he traveled under the plane. So most of him is 3D printed. He is on a 1/6 scale RC car. I made the body that goes on there, and then his head is on a geared thing so he can turn his head. Thing I really love is when I steer, it turns the wheels, his head, and his eyes. So he actually looks where he's going.
It's
Yeah.
well for safety.
Oh, yeah. And then I can puppet his eyes up and down. So when he's talking to someone, I can look them in the eyes.
That's a pretty full featured RC controller there.
Oh, yeah. And it's got a bunch of buttons. You guys see here. Whoop. There's 15 buttons here. And then I have a second screen with 15 more buttons. And all of these buttons are Bender sayings.
So long, coffin stuffers.
You want to hit
Well,
one?
can you hold that up again? I want to get a close
Oh,
up
yeah.
to your screen there. It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, these are all. Oops. What have I pushed? Oop, there we go. So if we push one of these,
So long, coffin
it
stuffers.
says something.
Goodbye, everybody. Don't touch my stuff after I'm dead.
You know, Bender stuff.
And you took him to Dragon Con.
Yeah, and I just rolled around yelling at people.
Yeah, and the crowd goes wild.
Mm-hmm. I have a little.
Do you have Shaw Baby? I know it.
Oh no, I don't have that one. I have to add that.
Okay.
There's a lot of ones I definitely have to add.
Oh, Silvers.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe how stupid I used to be, and you still are.
So for each of these sayings, I had to animate what his eyes do.
I got wheels with clickety clackers.
And then while he's saying something,
Hey, rich girl.
Turn him
come
down.
over here.
while he's doing that, I can take over his eyes and have him look over at stuff.
Look at my head.
Yeah.
Look at my head. I got a big old head. And hey, ho. All right, show's over. I'm tired.
Yeah. So that's what I did for like 5 straight days in Atlanta. I just rolled around making people smile.
That's fantastic, man.
Yeah, that's Bender.
I appreciate the robot break.
Yeah, who wouldn't? He's got a list of features I want to add and accessories. He needs a cigar,
Of course.
different hats, maybe sunglasses,
Yeah.
maybe some of those RGB LEDs for a little underlighting here. Yeah.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
When did you actually work on this?
I started it about a year ago, and I worked
And
on
this
it.
is just like hobby in your spare time?
I do run a YouTube channel, so I made a series of videos on it as part of the.
Man,
my-
that is a whole lot of work. That's
It
what I'm like.
is,
That is,
yeah, and I did most of it in the last 3 weeks.
dang.
A lot of sanding.
Yeah, actually, this spent a lot of the time over the years sanding, and then mostly electronics I did in August. And I had to learn. I had to buy a bunch of stuff. I had to figure out how the systems all go together. These guys, the Kyber Control Group, these guys are really helpful for doing droids.
I was just gonna say that's a droid controller,
Yeah,
isn't
it
it?
really is.
Yeah.
So the guys that do R2D2s
I mean,
and
you're talking
Wallies,
Kyber control. That name
Yeah.
kind of gives it away, right?
it really does. But now that I have the system all figured out, now I want to build more robots. So I don't know if I'll be doing it this year, but I really want to make a wall.
Are you coming to, no, I don't know, 3D Printopia?
I don't. No, not that's this weekend, right?
Yeah.
I won't be there
Yeah.
for that.
Oh, Sam
Some point I
Prentice and
gotta
you
go.
would
Yeah.
get
You
on.
should bring him to Form Next in Germany.
That would be pretty
Mm.
cool. Yeah.
Can we get like all-terrain vehicle tires on him?
See, that's what I need is more ridiculous ideas.
Oh, I
Take
that's
him.
my job.
Yeah, take him off road for sure. Yeah, the wheels are I molded and cast these, so these are urethane rubber. They're really durable.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so one question,
Uh-huh.
important.
Yeah,
If someone wanted to build one of these themselves,
yeah. Sure.
That's very
go for
open-ended
it.
there.
I mean, if people want the 3D print files, I'm
Yeah.
happy to give it to them. You do need to buy an expensive RC car and then cut it in half.
Oh, is that what you did?
It's a bit of a commitment.
Okay, yeah.
So if
yeah.
anyone else is nuts, then let me know. But
I mean, it kind of does fit in with the whole theme, right? It is about Bender cutting himself in
Oh,
half
yeah,
and selling
it
the bottom
does.
half. So
yeah,
yeah.
there you go. There's my robot.
I like your robot. Thanks for the robot break.
Figure I'd bring him
Let's-
down.
Is it just a lithium in there? Running him?
He has 3 different batteries.
Okay.
But yeah, he's got a LiPo for the car. There's a 12-volt battery in there for his head, and then another battery in the speaker.
I can
Which
see
is
it
in his
flickering
news.
through the wheel well. That's
Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can see the light going in there.
That's how you know it works.
Yeah, the speaker. He sounds loud here.
Bite my shiny metal ass.
Pretty loud, but at a convention you can't hear him.
Oh
at
no,
all.
no, no! You absolutely
So,
need it
I'm
loud.
gonna put like a real car stereo in him so that
Can
he
we collaborate on a robot sometime?
Yeah, I mean, I already know how to do most of it. So
I know.
there you
Okay.
go. Ready?
Going through the robot.
Here, we'll.
Going through the robot wash. Come on, y'all, let's see it. Robot.
I'll make his glorious exit.
Bye, Bender.
Wash, yeah. So long, coffin stuffers.
That is awesome.
And he's pretty quick too. It's just a normal RC car under there. Probably get him up to like 20 or 30.
Yeah,
Maybe we'll figure that out later.
I think we'll figure that out.
Mm,
We need more robot breaks.
we do.
Luke.
We do. That was awesome.
You gonna go do donuts in the parking lot? We need to put him on a slick track.
Can you send it to the machine?
Yeah.
All right.
Eating all the food in here.
Sorry, we are still fixated with the Bender and what it's busy doing in the background.
He just took his head
And
off
the fact
car.
that its head just came
Just
off.
came off right off the car. Robot Panda Station. Ooh.
That's it.
Hey, Bill. What if you made a robot version of the Panda Station so that the H series could roam?
Yeah, I mean, I can do that.
Okay.
And cuss at people as it's roaming, just like Bender.
Oh, yeah.
Can we just make an R2 unit that has a machine inside its cavity here?
Someone must.
We can't hear you.
Already done that. Surely.
Yeah.
We can't hear you.
No, I don't think
they-
anyone
they-
ever has.
Oh.
So David,
just make an R2 unit with a 3D printer inside its center cavity?
It would make sense.
I don't know if anyone heard
That's kind of fun.
so we got a question here, Captain Creativity. Are you going to be at 3D Printopia this weekend?
Yeah.
We are. We are.
We'll
yeah.
absolutely be there.
We are. We're not sure if our booth is going to be there because that got routed to the wrong community college, but we will be there.
I did it. Right.
It really did. That was why I was sitting at the desk earlier this morning
We have there's some special things going on.
looking a little stressed.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I will be the MC of the event. That's right. I'll be on the microphone saying things,
Yeah.
laying my dulcet tones into your ear holes.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Dave's got something interesting he's going to be showing everyone.
Yeah, David's going to be the keynote. And he's going to show off some footwear.
And it's really,
Some
really cool footwear.
Some
I will
feetwear.
say.
Footwear. Feetwear.
Footwear. Yeah.
Feetwear. Well, footwear is a foot, but feetwear you wear on your feet.
But no one says feetwear.
I know.
You say underwear. You say footwear.
Where's this going?
Nowhere.
Footwear. Let's roll with footwear. Okay, so is there a way to reach out to you guys from BIQU America specifically? I mean, it depends on what type of reach out. Like, if you want to just get in touch with us, there is there are a bunch of email addresses. So there's marketing@BQ3D if you like a creator and you want to get in touch.
Yeah.
There's a ticketing system if you have a technical question. That's just on BQ.equipment, ticketing system. You lodge a ticket. But yeah, depending on what you want to get in touch with us for. We'll be at 3D Printopia.
Yeah,
so that's
100%.
easy. You just walk right up to us.
Just
and you're like,
walk right
"Hey,
up to
I would
Luke."
like to be in touch with you. And
Just walk
there we
right
go.
up to Luke.
All right, A1.
A1.
What cool tricks have we got here?
I don't know, but it looks different. Oh, so before we over on Twitter/X, I put a call out saying we need an A1 because my A1 is currently loaned out to someone. Someone was very kind. We met with them and they gave us this A1 to use, and we promised to upgrade it and give it back, right?
Yeah, there you go. So now he's got the Panda Status, which fits on the A1.
And it's RGB all the way around.
So that's the Panda Aura.
Oh, that's the Aura.
Um,
Oh, status up front.
Yeah, status up front. So that's
Sorry,
the same
yeah.
status that we saw on the P1S earlier.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it also fits on the A1.
Can you sync it to the Aura?
They all sync together. And there is a BIQU app coming, I think, next month or the month after. The month after. Next
Okay.
month is October. November is coming.
Oh.
That will allow you to easily configure, because you saw there's a lot of configuration. You
There
can
is a
upload
lot.
your
Yeah.
MP3 to the Panda alarm. Yeah. So all that's just going to be encapsulated within the BIQU app. It's going to be way easy to just connect to
that's
all the different
cool.
devices. And then if you want to tell them all to sync together, just one tap and the app's going to be
Oh,
like,
they'll be
cool.
smart enough to
Let
be
me-
like, okay,
let me-
I
let
talk
me
to you,
sync them all
talk to you,
together.
talk to you, talk to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, they can sync together. Right now it's just on like the Aura is just on a general rainbow.
Yeah, I see
Um,
that.
But yeah, you could change it. This is pretty cool as well, because you do find households with kids, or even what parents might do is they'll be like, the H2 series is my machine. The A1 is your machine.
The guy we got this from, right?
That's exactly what he-
he had this was the machine that his kids
So
could
now if
print
it's for
things
your
on.
kids, you could set the Aura to do the red is hot, don't touch.
Oh yeah.
And the green
Oh,
is
okay.
safe, like it's all good. You
Yeah.
know? And then you've got this big thing at the base, and you just tell them, look, when that thing is red, don't get anywhere near the hot end. Don't touch the bed. That could hurt you.
Yeah.
Then that's cool, yeah. So Aura, Rich, do you want to pop that in the chat as well? Discount code for Aura. And he's just
yeah.
said it. So he's popped it on to green there.
There it
Because
is.
Rich is off camera and he's busy controlling things via Wi-Fi. So it's on safety mode now. If we were to just do a little control here and push that nozzle up to, let's say, 51.
What's on the bed right now?
That's just a print we were doing earlier. This is actually this is the back plate for the Panda Den.
Oh.
So the Panda Den, what would a BIQU product be if you couldn't RGB it out? The Panda Den actually supports an entire RGB strip around its base.
Oh, we're red now because of the safety mode.
Exactly. We've gone red. And this is just the panel for the RGB controller.
Oh, all
But
right.
We printed it and we didn't pop it in place. Here
That's
it
fair.
is. There you go. But yeah, there you go. So we went red for the safety mode. And let's pop this. So Richard is just busy
Now it's saying H2D.
changing it. So now, yeah, it's in what's called H2D mode.
What's that?
So it's called HDD because basically it mimics what the status bar on the HDD does.
I see.
So, you know, you've got that white. It kind of just sits at the white glow when it's idle and doing nothing.
Yeah.
And it shows you the print status as it's
Yeah,
going.
yeah.
You got that in the front. So that's H2D mode. Without having to do anything extra, it just automatically does exactly what an HDD status bar would do.
Okay.
And that's what it's doing now. Idle mode, it just sits and glows white. Yeah. So that is Panda Aura. It's, you know, some of the stuff has a whole lot of function as you've seen, and other stuff is just for people who like the form of things. They just want to like have a bit of RGB glow coming out of this studio.
Nothing wrong with
and,
that,
like,
man.
Yeah. I mean,
It's just cool.
yeah.
Making the space you're in cool is
Yeah, that's
is
good.
cool.
Like I my wife sometimes goes to markets and things, and she'll take a printer with her, and she's got an Aura on the printer that she takes, and it's just like
Oh.
people are just like, that's cool, I got to see what's going on here. Like, so it makes the machine look good.
Makes a lot of sense.
So that is the Aura, and then we've got Status, of course, our Kroger plates, which frostbites,
They're good.
absolutely fantastic.
They're great plates, man.
Yeah. So low temperature printing. And the cool thing is that even if you lose power on a machine, it doesn't release the
Yeah.
print. So you can resume the print. And
Yeah, when you use
Yeah.
like a smooth PI, textured PI, as soon
it
as that,
releases.
it
Yeah.
just
As soon as the
lets
bed
go.
temp drops.
Which it's supposed to do.
Yeah. I mean, that's how
But,
PI
you know-
is designed to work. But with this, I
With
mean,
a-
it's not going to release. And if you do want to release, you saw, I mean, I just released that, right?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like, and it's done.
Oh, I'm familiar with that. Believe me.
Yeah.
That's
So
great.
These are pretty cool plates. And then what else should we show you on the A1?
I was asking what plate to use for ABS.
Somebody was asking what plate to use for ABS.
Yeah. What do you use for ABS?
We use for ABS.
All right. Unofficially, these plates will fully do ABS. We don't advertise it on the plate, but they are fully capable of doing ABS. The reason we don't advertise is because sometimes the color from ABS will transfer onto a frostbite plate. So it has no impact on the print surface whatsoever, but the color will transfer onto it.
Okay.
But yeah, they'll do ABS.
So functionally, though,
Functionally, it's capable of doing ABS.
so does that mean you can do ABS on open air machines?
Provided that you're not doing a really tall model. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, if it's a tall model and you
Yeah.
don't have a draft cover for it, then it'll blow against it, it'll split.
Okay.
But yeah, as long as your model is relatively short, absolutely. David.
ASA.
Yeah, ABS, SA, both of them will work
Yeah.
on the machine. Just they both will. They have a chance of transferring some of the color onto the blade. Yeah. They will do the thing.
All right.
So,
But that's good though, because I know ABS can be kind of tricky.
Taylor says I use them with ABS on my Prusa Core 1.
Yeah. Oh
There you
yeah.
go.
So even though you've got yourself a blue BIQU plate for your Bambu machine, they fit on the Core 1. If you have one and you pick up a Core 1, they will fit.
They do, but there's also news coming on that front as well.
Yeah.
Which we'll know about soon.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Plate news. Plate news.
Plate news is
Soon.
coming.
Soon.
So
The paperwork that comes with this plate says it can do ABS.
the paperwork,
that
I'm pretty
true?
sure it doesn't.
Are
You
you?
might be mixing it up with the Glacier plate. Remember, there are two blue plates. There's the Glacier and the Frostbite, and the Glacier says it can do
I think
ABS.
I have the paper. I want
But
to
this can
throw
do
it away.
ABS. It can do it. Do it. Just we're we don't want to go and advertise them. People are like, oh, my plate discolored, because then some people don't like a discolored plate.
Yeah.
It has no functional
But I
impact.
mean, if you're using this in a production scenario and you don't, you consider this a consumable, you're not
you don't
worried
really
about.
care. Yeah,
You don't care. You just want
Yeah.
stuff to stick over and over,
Exactly.
and so that's
Exactly.
kind of neat.
It is very
Because as you know, there is a giant farm of machines, and having a plate solution for ABS is kind. So
there you are.
I'm excited.
All right, so let's look at. Okay, there's this little thing on the table here.
Oh,
Let me
there's
bring it
more?
across. There is the PT free.
It's
The
not a Panda.
PT free. Okay, it's the Panda PT free.
Okay.
We can just assume everything.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
All right. So this is a pretty simple little thing. It's basically just to help you to release the PTFE tubes.
Oh, geez. Okay, good.
Yeah,
Because they're
yeah.
difficult.
You know, you pop it on there, and boop.
That's nice.
It's so simple, and
That's
so easy. So you
nice.
just pop it around, and then you pop it around the tube, and boom, you're good.
That's fantastic.
It's pretty cool.
Usually I've got like pliers or flush cutters that I have to hold open and do that.
Should we? Let's see.
Want to get a demo of that again close? Do you mind?
Yeah. Let's get it close. Okay, so I'm going to bring that into the shot. This is the PT free, little injection molded tool. I mean, it's really simple. It's
What's up, Grant? Yeah, that is smart. Grant, smart.
3D Musketeers. How are you doing, buddy? We'll see you in 2 days. So yeah, it's a little spring-loaded tool. It's got these forks at the bottom that fit into that area there, and then it can pivot around that area to reach any one of the 4 PTFE tubes. So I'll just pop it in now and get it to that one. And then
Wait. We can't. Your hand was
Let's
in the
do
way.
that.
Yeah, you got to do it from that side. There
And,
you go. There you go.
And yeah, you just push it down, and boom, QVC. There you go. And out it comes. Yeah. So
Well,
it's-
these need that consistent, even pressure. Because if you get it at an angle, it doesn't work.
and like you say, I roll with the pliers as well. So
Yeah.
I'm like,
Oh, yeah, you know.
and I'm getting in there.
You pinched your
trying to-
finger,
and
haven't you?
And yeah, you know it. And if you've got 4 tubes in there, it just becomes like even more difficult.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just a little simple tool, but
How
it's
much
one
is
of those quality of life things. Trusty Richard, how much is the PT free?
He's looking. He's looking. PT free is.
Are there other versions of it as well?
Well, okay. While he's looking, let's talk about this
Let's-
thing up
yeah.
front
So
because
this
that's friggin'
is-
cool.
This is got
$6.99.
$6.99.
$6.99 for the
it's-
PT free
Yeah,
and 5% off.
nothing. Yeah. K2 Kevin says $6.99. Let's see if we can get this without the lighting glare.
Well, why don't I cut one of the lights?
Yeah, let's do that.
There we go. Is that the right light to
Alright.
cut?
Cut back to that shot.
You want me to do both?
Go back one second.
All right, no light glare. We can see it.
What does it say on it?
You see, that's the thing is the camera is not picking it up.
Well,
My
let me-
eye
let
is
me-
picking it up.
Let me just change my exposure and put that a little.
It could be the exposure, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make it so you can see it.
No, we're not. I'm too short.
Almost.
It's pretty good. It's just,
Well, that was focus. One of the rings is gonna. No.
I know.
2 of 3.
Fiddling around a bit.
Oh,
There we go.
Yeah, it's just a little overexposed. All right. But
Cool.
yeah,
Okay, cool. Look at that.
yeah. So this is the Panonomi. Now, I mean, Panonomi is a pretty well-known product already. Like,
Yeah.
it's,
yeah. Lots
it's-
of people have it.
Yeah. So the cool thing about it is you can put any GIF that you choose into it to represent the status of the machine. So, like, I don't know, when the thing is heating up, you can go find a GIF that you want, and it can be heating up, and it plays that GIF back. When it's busy printing, you can put your own little GIF. So it's a little bit of personality, your own fun touch and personality.
I
you put
like
on the
it.
Machine. Yeah, and this is just like basically the Vegas sphere version of the Panonomi. It's the Panonomi 3D dome-shaped lens, so it kind of stretches out the image.
Cool.
And yeah, it's got a whole new set of graphics.
Is Rich connected to it?
Rich,
Oh.
no, I don't think we haven't finished the binding yet, so we haven't actually connected it up to the printer.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
it's you can see, I think on the screen there, it's constantly saying that it's looking for the printer.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I can't find it.
what it will do is, yeah, when you're in the, it hosts a little website, and when you're in there, you can just enter the printer's IP and the access
Oh,
code
I
and
see.
everything, and then it goes, cool, it finds a
How
printer.
does
and
it
finds
how does it plug in for power?
So this little cable here is plugged in for power. Yeah, it just pretty much
What?
runs through the back. There's a little hole if you want to look over there.
No, but up. Oh.
Oh, this taps off power from the actual tool head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is another product. And we're able to just tap directly off the power that comes to the tool head and tap it out of these 2 ports here.
I see.
Yeah.
And so that gives you, and then you plug the Nomi into that.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it.
So the
okay.
Nomi's actually, you can see it's just plugged in right here. So it's got some ports on the side, some ports on the top.
Does someone need that in order to plug in a Nomi?
No. The Nomi, it actually comes with its own power that just plugs directly into the back here.
Oh,
And
okay.
that you just route along with this cable. And it just
I
goes in there.
see.
This
I
we've
see.
just routed
But this is a
directly.
really nice solution.
Yeah,
like right here.
Yeah.
Because you can make all sorts of cool stuff for the tool head, and you just have a.
And I don't know if
A
you've
breakout
actually
board.
been following Grant. Grant will be able to attest to this. We've had a couple of instances where these machines have overheated in the tool head.
Oh.
And that's what this is. This is a fan to keep
Yeah.
that tool head cool.
Okay.
So yeah, this just blows through, keeps things nice and cool. And
RGB.
of course, RGB.
What was the reason for let's get there we go. What was the reason for the printers melting, burning up? Do you
Which part of the printer melting and burning up? There's
well, I
been a
don't know. You
few
mentioned
parts.
it, and so I'm just trying to get more
there's
information.
The Grant, if you're still connected, will know. You've got the tool head, which I'm actually not sure what part it is inside the tool head, but there are a couple of images on Facebook and Reddit
Okay.
where you'll notice like black carbon marking
Oh,
coming out of the tool head.
okay.
And something inside there is burning up with, and I don't know the usage circumstances, and it's not a widespread thing. So this is not like, oh goodness, all your A1's going to burn up. Not by any means, no. But I would assume that people are driving it hard, maybe in an enclosure, whatever the case may be.
I see.
And yeah, so this just blows through, keeps things cool. Yeah.
Well, it never hurts to like keep the cool end cool.
Exactly.
Never hurts.
Exactly. And the cool thing about this as well is you'll notice on the underside, it's got nozzle lighting as well. So that's the one thing that
Oh.
the A1 actually lacked, right? Was some
Yeah.
nozzle lighting. So this fan that keeps things cool, we tricked it out with a little bit of nozzle lighting.
So it's
underneath there
RGB
as well.
nozzle lighting, isn't it?
You can make it white if you want, but yes, it is RGB.
It's a
of
party.
course.
It's a party
It's a
when
party
you print.
all the time. Yeah.
It's a party printer.
So yeah, that's that is the the A1 and all the
Panda
cool
Nomi,
accessories. The Panonomi.
Panda toolhead.
Rich, have you put the discount code? All right. What is that? That is the Cooler A1. Sorry.
Okay.
My
And this
jet
is
lag's
called the
kicking
what?
in. That is part of the Cooler A1.
Oh, it is. Oh,
Yeah, It's
okay.
all part of it. Let's just check the comments.
Grant's replying.
The toolhead has current issues on some machines. Seems more common on older machines.
Oh, okay.
Hey, who's here?
Zombie Hedgehog, look at you being a member for 37 friggin' months.
Austin, that's awesome.
I'm gonna remind him in 37 months.
You should.
Yeah. Yeah. So the Panda Cooler and the discount code is in there. And that is the stuff for the A1, I guess. I think I've covered everything.
You've covered
I think we've just
everything.
covered a whole
You've
lot.
covered a
Like we've really
whole
been going
bunch.
hard.
Black box.
Hey,
You missed that black box.
this. Yeah. So
Oh, what is that?
it's basically a
Well, here, wait. We need more
Pod.
light.
yeah. Let's throw a bit of light on you.
Oh wait, hold on. We're gonna get blown out on this other shot.
All right.
You can go back light.
Is all RGB addressable or running cycles? So there's a web UI that you can configure what you want the RGB to do. Ultimately, you can.
Is it like
there's
WLED? That level of stuff where you're programming it?
You can select from a bunch of pre-programmed cycles,
Okay.
or there's a new version of firmware coming where you get a lot more control over it as well.
Oh, okay, cool.
But so you'll be able to say, I want it to run a wave cycle where it kind of does this, but then tweak the color, the speed, everything about that particular cycle. You have a whole list of different types that you can choose
Cool.
from.
Okay.
So it's not addressable in the sense that you can say, I want LED X to do that and
Yeah.
Y to do that. But, the cycles exist, and then you can tweak the speed and all the rest.
All right,
Yeah.
cool.
This is the Panda Branch, the Panda Branch Plus. So, some people want to have an extra power source on the machine. So a couple of extra USB ports, maybe, a couple of extra 24-volt ports for whatever accessories they want to connect. This is, as the name suggests, the Panda Branch. It takes one power source and branches it out to many.
I see.
Yeah. So that just mounts on the side using the screw holes that are already on the machine. And that can also then power your status or your alarm or your Aura, whatever it is. It can all just be fed from the Panda Branch.
Oh,
so
I
that
see.
can be a power supply
Oh.
for all of the different stuff that you.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And these aren't consuming so much power that it makes the power supply with the machine skip a beat.
No,
right?
not at all.
Okay.
No. Yeah, I mean the machine power supply. The specs are all in there.
Yeah.
You just open up, you can see what it is, right? And then you can also look at the circuit that it's got at the outputs here and how much that circuit can handle. And we design within those specs. to make
Cool.
sure that
Okay,
even,
that's really
even
good
if
to
there
know.
is an AMS connected, we're
Yeah.
going to be safe. All right, so we got some questions coming through. Will any of these products be available
Print up here.
at 3D to buy at the show? No, sorry, we don't actually sell at the show. But I mean, you can just go onto the website and pick it up. You'll get it before the show even starts. There is a US warehouse for some of the products, but the rest of them, they ship really, really quickly.
Oh yeah. So if you, with 5% off on the stream, you could buy it now. It would get you before the show, and then you could go to the show and talk about how much you love it.
There you go. Can we get the code for the Tyler? Tyler asked, can we get the code for the, and then it disappeared.
They were asking for the
Panda Station again.
Station again.
Rich, can
Oh.
you post the code for the Panda Station again for Tyler?
Sweet. 5% off the Panda Station.
There you
Such
go.
a good friggin' product, man.
Does the Panda Cooler work with the A1 Mini? It absolutely does. Yeah. So
Yeah, this whole tool head is the same
yeah, it's the
between
same
the
thing.
A1 and the
Yeah,
A1
it's
Mini.
the same thing.
Yeah.
It's Panda Cooler, yeah, it's going to give you those breakout ports for power, and it's going to keep things cool, as the name suggests.
Excellent.
Yeah. Let's see what other questions we got.
Yeah. What's
10 tech.
what's been your favorite? What's been the favorite thing that we've shown? Because we've shown literally like 37 different products.
It's just like all the products.
37.
All
at
the
least.
products. we're dealing with a somewhat tired company. You can imagine for the last
Yeah.
year we have been working.
And then tomorrow you go to a different time zone.
Yeah, can you believe it? Well, I mean, honestly, time zones have no.
I was
meaning
just
to
going
me
to
at
say
this
you
point in
exist at all
anyway.
time at this point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, at all times. Yeah, I think we've covered everything. Let's go across the table here. Oh, the other cool thing. Let's grab these two. So these are kind of like A1 Mini specific. This is the Aura for the A1 Mini.
Where is this? Is okay. That's the Aura.
It's the Aura, but for the A1 Mini.
Okay.
And this is called the Panda Hue OTG. Panda Hue on the go. So it is a CNC handle. Let's do that for the A1 Mini. So that if you got an A1 Mini, then that goes on the top of it. It mounts directly to the extrusion.
Ah.
Yeah. And then it's just
That's
like,
nice.
you just get to grab and move it wherever you want to go.
The A1 Mini is one of those that people would just take anywhere.
Exactly.
It's at that certain size and
Where it's
performance
easy to move
where
around.
it's just you just want to pick it up and put it somewhere, hit go.
Exactly.
Pick it up, put it somewhere, hit go.
And of course, what we did is we add a little bit of lighting to it because that's what one does.
Any
And,
handle should have RGB.
Yeah, and you can see there's actually quite a bit of it going on in there.
Oh wow, they're jeez, dude.
That's just so this handle, of course, I haven't assembled.
That's a
it
lot of
yet.
lights, man.
Yeah, and the reason is because it's got this little magnetic Hue Forge, Panda Hue OTG, that clips in there, and when the lights light up, you get your little Hue Forge lighting up on the top of your machine. It's pretty fun. It's a pretty fun little thing. Yeah, there you go. So and of course you just
Wait.
I mean.
Is it a Hue Forge or a lithophane?
Well, Hue Forge does have lithophane mode, right? So you can get full color backlit
Oh, right.
Hue Forges.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, lithophane. So,
Okay.
but you can do the Hue Forge version as well. So there you go. That is the Hue OTG. I think that might
That's
be us.
everything,
I think
dude.
that might be
Good
us.
job. Look at that.
Goodness gracious. We made it.
Tired,
Yeah.
just
But happy.
hungry.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. So let us know if you have any questions.
Yeah, let's keep it over. I mean, we'll keep it over a couple minutes here. Like, what kind of
We-
questions you got? I mean,
We actually didn't mention the feed rack. But we
The
have it
what?
somewhere- The feed rack. The feed rack.
the feed. What is that?
Where did the feed rack go?
What is it?
The feed rack?
The feed
There,
rack.
there it is.
Oh,
I mean, it's again storage. Storage
Yeah.
is a whole part of what we've been doing, right? So
And also the stack.
yes, where is the stack? Did I physically take it?
We took it out
Yeah.
of the bag and then I couldn't.
Did we assemble it?
I did.
All right, but bring it along.
So where is it?
It's back there somewhere.
Careful, Luke. You're stepping on poop.
All right, so this is the feed rack. It is literally a filament rack.
It sure is.
But I mean, it's like surprisingly, filament racks were just like difficult to find.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we worked on this.
What does
thing.
this cost?
This is fairly reasonable. Hey, Rich, are you going to pop the feed rack discount code in there? And do you know what the cost is? All right. All right. So that is the feed rack. It is a filament rack.
Okay.
It's really well priced. Richard is
is.
going to post the price into the comment section now.
Yeah, and then we've got the Panda Stack.
Okay, now the stack. Let me move this out of here.
Dude, there are so
There are
many things
so
here.
Many.
There are so
things.
many things.
Like, yeah, it kind of keeps going.
Can all this be seen at the event this weekend?
Yes.
All of it?
Yeah, you'll be able to see pretty much all of this at the event.
Every single thing.
$65 for a filament rack.
Okay.
So it's with 5% off if you use the code.
That's right. 5% off.
What? No lights on the rack? Todd, you're right. You've caught us there. We should probably put some lights on that rack. Don't worry, we'll get on that.
Panda Rack Aura. That's what you need.
Yeah, Panda Rack Aura. I mean, it would look pretty cool, let's be honest, having some lights on that rack. So this is the Panda Stack. Now, we haven't got it assembled here, but let me tell you why this is cool. In October, around the middle of October, Bambu are going to be releasing a firmware update for the A1.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Yes. And what is that firmware update going to do?
So you're going to be able to use your AMS2 Pro
Mhm.
on your A1 series 3D printer.
Exactly.
So like this on your
This,
this.
that.
Yeah.
Exactly. However, unlike the P1S and the X1C, where you get to stack the AMS on top of the printer, the A1 doesn't really work like that.
No,
you're
it
not
doesn't.
going to take an AMS 2 Pro and put it on top. So you're kind of forced to have this really wide footprint.
Really wide.
If you wanna do that.
Yeah.
And so this is actually a beta unit. The final unit will be coming next month, exactly in time for the launch of that firmware update.
Oh,
But
okay.
if you look at the image on the front, there is a lower section that has a drawer, and that is where your AMS would go inside there. And that drawer will just come out. So you get access to it. And sitting on the top would be your A1 or your
No.
A1
Okay, that's cool.
So you just stack it up.
Yeah. You stack it. Hence the name, the Panda
Hence
Stack.
the name, the Panda Stack. Yeah. So
But look at the Panda Stack also takes 2 AMS units, according to the picture on the box.
well, you can put one AMS there and one on the top.
Yeah.
If you want to use it with like another type of machine, or even with an A1, but I don't know if they're going to support 2
Could
AMS
you put a
units.
Panda Stack on top of a P1S?
You could put it on top of it, but I'd probably recommend putting a Panda Perch on top and a stack on the side.
Got it. Okay.
Like, so if you are one of the guys that wants to run a 4 AMS system, you can just pop the stack. And
I was just thinking
stacks them up.
if you didn't have the horizontal space available, but you wanted 2 AMS units, could you stack on top of the?
Yeah, absolutely. However, it would probably make accessing your lid a bit of a mission because it's not designed to mount in the same way around the profile of the machine.
Right. Well, my thinking is because I had to do that at home one time, and I had to bring over like an IKEA shelf and sit it really close, and then get an extra long PTFE tube and then sit it
This would
aside.
work.
So I mean, people could DIY this into a vertical solution when they don't have horizontal space.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Technically, you could put an H2D on the station, then put P1S onto that H2D, and then put a stack onto that P1S.
Rich is just going over the top here. Yeah, it'll work for that. But
Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
two AMS units in there if you want, but the real cool thing is that you get the AMS on the bottom and the A1 and the A1 Mini at the top.
I like it.
And there you go. There you go.
And this is going to be out in time for the firmware update.
in time for the firmware update.
All right,
yeah.
cool.
Yeah. And I think that I have pretty much covered everything, unless there is something that you dear viewers out there want to ask us about. Now's your shot. Go for it.
Yeah. Like you showed a lot.
Oh man, we
went through a lot.
Like,
and so if you have any questions about specific things, rapid fire, let's do it.
Someone did ask about a tool changer.
a tool changer.
The Panda tool?
Our friends at Snapmaker are killing it on the tool changer front. They've got a good machine on the way, I guess.
Polymaker just did an ad for them. They just ran a
Yeah?
promo for
Oh yeah, because they're partnering up on the poly dryer. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So good tool changes are coming. I mean, we pretty much see 2026 as being the year of the tool changes.
Yes.
I think it's going to be a lot of that going on.
Oh yeah. No more single nozzle multicolor, man. Multi-tool is the
Yeah,
way.
exactly. I don't want to see any of that waste falling out the back. I mean, yeah. Waste. We're going to limit the number of times we say poop in this stream. All right, so
I have a question. How do you sleep at night?
eyes closed.
How do you sleep at night?
Who asked that?
Bearded Printer. What's up, Bearded Printer? How do you sleep at night?
Well, with jet lag, really well.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
This was cool,
Bearded
man.
printer. Yeah, really, really well.
Somebody asked for Vivid.
Vivid is coming. Vivid is going to be on display at 3D Printopia.
Ooh.
Really?
And yeah. It's
Someone asked about ESP32 and Panda Breath Plus.
ESP32 on Panda Breath Plus. Yes, it does have an ESP32 on the Panda Breath Plus.
Of course, it's Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
right?
everything's
So it's got to
Wi-Fi.
have it, yeah.
Panda Breath Plus, smart features. So there's an ESP32 on the board. Yep. Yeah, so Branch Plus.
Do you want to tell the audience about anything that's going on at Printopia? Like, are there?
He was just answering a question, though.
What?
He was just answering a question.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's just you can control individual ports.
Yeah. So yeah, you get to control power to individual ports. Yeah, I don't think there is a bonding feature yet to bind to the printer, but it just basically gives you the ability to switch ports.
Oh,
That's it. It's like
That's
a smart power switch.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you saying, David, about 3D Printopia?
Well, 10 Tech has a question. I don't know if you answered that. The other thing is, are there anything going on in 3D Printopia that people should be looking forward to? Giveaways.
Yeah. So we got giveaways with. Speaking of which, we haven't done our giveaway yet.
Well, yeah, I have
During the
people.
stream.
I mean, are we going to?
Let's do it. We're going to give away a Panda Station
Oh,
and a Panda Den.
and a Panda Den.
For
Like
those
one
who
person
are
win
ahead.
all or two winners?
No. 2 winners. Let's do it.
All right.
Yeah,
Sure.
So at 3D Printopia, we're going to have a giveaway on Saturday and Sunday, 2:50, in person. Be there. And
Here,
yeah.
I'll lock the casters. Now you can lean.
yeah, let's lock those. I
There you
keep
go.
leaning on it,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna be on the floor just now.
Okay, so for those that may not know, there's a link for Gleam in the description where you can enter to win stuff, and it's going to be a Panda Den and a Panda Station,
Yeah,
and it's 2 winners, or is it 1 winner?
Panda Den, Panda Station, a bunch of Panda Status units.
Okay. So a bunch of winners.
a bunch of winners. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So give them a couple minutes. Just for everybody that didn't know, go into the description of the live stream and click that Gleam link, and that'll get you entered to win all sorts of really fun Panda stuff. Panda stuff.
Yeah, we've got a ton of prizes to give away, guys. So
I dropped it.
get in that link, and
We made a mess, man.
we did.
Look at this.
But it was a fun mess to make.
It was. I'm just gonna bring this out,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna spin it.
That's a good sound.
It sounds like a machine, you know.
I mean, it's a solid piece of kit. I think the shipping weight on that is it's like 40 kilograms. I don't know what that is in pounds.
I'm just excited. It's at my height.
Yeah.
It's at my height. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Bill, in your shop, wouldn't this be great?
So in my short ceiling basement shop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
Do it fit.
you just mount the AMS onto the
We
ceiling?
can do that. Yeah. Because you can touch it like this. Very close.
Does the Panda Station come with an H2S? Yeah, if you buy an H2S. Absolutely. All right, guys, have you entered the competition yet? Because we're gonna start drawing.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, why not? I mean,
Okay, do it. Do it.
We have
Yeah.
a bunch of entries.
All right.
I
We
see
have to,
they're
you have to
rolling
close down
in.
the contest. Okay,
Thing
so
is-
give him 60 seconds, maybe.
All right, 60 seconds.
60
guys.
seconds to enter the contest for stuff.
Yeah, we've got.
There you go.
Let's see the prizes. I will tell you what prizes we have.
Here we
now.
go. Prizes.
We have got Panda Station ×1, Panda Den ×1, Panda Status ×6, Panda Dapper, which yeah, Panda Dapper. We all
Yeah.
knew what that was.
Yep.
×6.
Are you making a Panda diaper for the big one?
We are.
Okay, good. Good.
Panda Perch for the H2 when it is released next month. So right now you'll get like a golden ticket for it, and then when it's released, we'll ship it out to you if you
There
want.
we go. Yeah, that's a good idea.
One winner of that. Panonomi 3D, 2 winners, and Panda Alarm, which was the little Tron style thing that we had on the
On the P1S.
front of
Yep.
the P1S. Yeah,
Yep.
one winner of that. So tons of prizes, guys.
Tell people about the link one more time.
Yeah,
The one in the
if you want to
description?
enter, check
Yeah.
out the description and hit the link up. It's a Gleam entry.
It is.
Make sure that you enter your email address and your name because we're going to be contacting you via that email address. And yeah,
There we go. Everybody go to the description. Enter. Bill, enter.
Hit like on your way out.
Yeah.
That's right.
All right, guys, we're going to start drawing winners. However, until we draw the very final winner, you can still enter. So keep entering.
Oh,
Yeah, let's do it.
okay.
Well, I don't have any bamboo printers.
Yet.
Yeah, that's true.
No one leaves here empty-handed,
It
Bill.
would be great if I won an LED bar for it and decided to buy a whole printer. From LED
All right.
bar.
Should we,
Put it
go
on
for the,
Bender.
should we go for the big one first?
Sure.
Panda Station?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
The big one. The
Let's do it.
thing that this is on.
Yeah. Panda
Okay.
Station, guys. Let's see who is going to win the Panda Station. Draw. All right. If your name is John Hydale, congratulations. You just got yourself a Panda Station.
John Hydale.
Yeah.
John Hydale, congratulations.
Good for you, man.
Yeah, we can't show the screen because it shows their email address, you know.
Yeah, so we're not, the name alone is going to do the trick. John, if you're still around,
Cheated a little more.
well done. Let's see. Is that you, John?
I don't
Not
know.
sure. I'm thinking
Everybody's saying
Jon.
congrats to John. So congrats to John. Okay. Congrats, John.
Well done, guys. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. What should we draw next? Let's do a
go.
bunch of Panda Status.
Sure. Go for it.
Let's do that.
It's going to be 6 of them, right? No,
6
which
of them.
one? Wait, which one is
6
it?
of them. Yeah, Panda Status.
The status. Okay, good. Yeah,
Yeah.
6.
And let's hit it.
Go. It's drawing.
Boom. All right, so let's. All right, I saw John Hardell again, but he's the Panda Station. I was like, man, that is the luckiest person alive. No,
There's 7 Panda Stations.
no, these are Panda Status.
Status. I'm sorry.
Status.
There's 7 Panda Status. We thought 6 initially.
No, the one is a Panda Station.
Oh, it is?
It's at the top, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Station Status.
My bad.
We'll get there.
My
We'll-
bad.
Okay, so here are the names, guys. 6 of these things. We've got Greg Miniman.
Go, Greg.
Well done. Greg, if you're around, give us a shout out in the comments. Hit like. We have Linda Dooley.
Good job, Linda.
Pero. Sebastian. What is this? Sebastian Staudenmeyer.
Good job.
Staudenmeyer.
Congrats,
Christian
Sebastian.
Bureau. And Cody Dean. If you guys are around, give us a shout out. Someone is saying sweet, so I'm guessing that
I bet someone
you
won.
won.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done, guys. Well done. All right. So you guys got the Panda Status. Next up, we are going to draw for the Panda Diaper. The diaper.
It's funny that that's the product name. I love it.
All right. Diaper, guys. Angela Dean. Good on you, Angela.
Congratulations, Angela.
Well done. And we've got 6 of these. So
Oh,
Christopher M. Olson,
good job,
Well done.
Christopher.
Kenneth Parton,
Good job, Kenneth.
and Elizabeth Bradshaw.
Elizabeth Bradshaw. That's Pez Liz.
Oh, wow. Well done, Pez Liz.
Congrats, Pez Liz.
Uh-huh. And then we have Shannon Euler.
Congratulations, Shannon.
I'm pretty sure Shannon's still on stream.
Maybe.
I saw some comments.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good guy. Good going, Shannon.
Yeah. And then we have Amit Ilgabsi. I think that's right. All right.
That's a lot of winners there, man.
Yeah, guys. We're not playing around here. You make a lot of products, you gotta have a lot of winners.
That's true.
So I think we are almost out of prizes. We're gonna do the Panonomi 3D. There's 2 of these.
2 Panonomi 3Ds. Okay.
Uh-huh. And our winners are Jonathan W. Moore
Congratulations, Jonathan.
and Sean Dunn.
And Sean Dunn.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Look
Sean
at
Dunn.
that. So many winners here.
All right. What I miss? You missed the competition. Are the guys on? If there are winners still online, give us a shout out.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we're keen to know. Panda Alarm. Let's do that.
Okay.
Draw.
Panda Alarm.
Did you win a Panda Alarm? If your name is Max Divac, then you did.
Congratulations, Max. You get a Panda
Max
Alarm.
Divac.
That's pretty good.
Panda Alarm.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
And Panda Perch HTD. So that is this guy over here.
This thing, the top thing.
Yeah,
Not with the added things on the side, just the top thing.
just the top thing.
Just top thing. Yep.
And if your name is
I do like it.
Jim Neal,
Congratulations, Jim.
you have just won yourself a Panda Perch.
Jim Neal for the win.
Good stuff. Jim Neal, depending on what machine you have, P1S, X1C, if you have a P1 series, we would be happy to swap that out for the P1 series. Panda
Ooh,
Perch.
okay.
So yeah, we'll be in touch with you, and you just let the
There we
the
go.
marketing ladies know which one
Yeah,
you
of
would
course.
prefer,
That's the way to do it.
and we'll get
Yep.
you hooked up. All right, guys. So the final thing is our Panda Den. Remember, that's the little convenient poop
The poop drawer.
collector, the
The
poop drawer.
poop drawer on the that
Exactly.
was
It's
showed
on the floor at the
P1S.
back there,
It's
but
on the floor.
we remember the Panda Den, and let's draw for that. Our winner is Paul Palumbo.
Paul, congrats, Paul.
Paul Palumbo.
Good job, Paul.
Well done, guys. All right. That's it. I think we've done our giveaways. Good thing we didn't forget them.
Yeah, I'm really happy
Yeah.
we didn't.
Yeah. That
I mean, you would have done it afterwards and
Yeah, we
notified
would have done
people, which is fine,
Yeah.
but we got it
we've
in.
got it all done.
Yeah, we got it in during the stream.
Well done, guys. Yeah,
It's been fun, Luke.
it has been fun.
Thanks,
Thank you
man.
so much.
I appreciate it.
And
We'll
I
get
mean-
this back to the rightful owner.
yeah, and it's his kid's machine, so I'm sure they're gonna be stoked. With
Oh,
that.
they're gonna be stoked,
Yeah.
man. He's gonna take it back from him.
Yeah. We told them.
Yeah.
We're gonna trick it out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, gonna be some happy people.
I like it.
Thank you guys so much for spending.
Well, here,
time with
well,
us.
look in the camera
Yeah.
because
Joining
this is your part. Like,
Yeah.
we just demoed a whole bunch of BIQU Panda items. It's the Pandaverse.
Yeah.
It's the Pandaverse. So if people are interested in more BIQU, where do they go? Link in the description.
Yeah,
BIQU.
we've got. I think we've got purchase links for some stuff in the description. But BQ.equipment. That's our website. You can get
BIQU.
Yeah.
BIQU.equipment.
.equipment or Amazon or AliExpress. We've got stores on AliExpress as well. But yeah, you can go to those 3 stores and you'll find our stuff there.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Dude.
Easy as that. Easy as that.
This has
What
been
do we
fun,
do?
man.
What did you do with the real Joel?
What did you do with the real Joel?
What's a high five?
I was about to say,
You bumped.
what is
Well,
finishing
we're
a
not
stream
done
off
yet. Yeah, we haven't finished
without a
yet. We
high
high
five?
five at the
I was
end.
I feel your vibe, bro.
I wanted to
feel
make
your
sure that
vibe.
you got out what you need
Yeah,
to get out.
yeah.
All right. Are you
Yeah.
good?
But if you do also want to see stuff, come to 3D Printopia.
Yeah,
guys.
3D Printopia
Like,
this weekend.
Show up. It's there. It's in Maryland. Book a flight now.
It's like $10.
Yeah,
It's like $10.
it'll be fun.
See a lot of cool stuff. I
Yeah.
mean, it's an amazing event.
You can
Yeah.
see Luke in person.
Yeah. You can touch
Sorry
it.
for
You
you.
can even touch him. Yeah, you can even touch him.
Come along, guys. It'll be fun. There's going to be death races. If you don't know what that is, well, you're going to have to be there to figure it out and find out. But
Fighting
it's-
robots. Man.
Yeah, fighting robots.
Fighting
What could be
robots, yeah.
cooler than that? Dragsters.
Yeah.
Yours truly.
I'll be there
as,
on the mic.
as MC.
Yeah.
Some really cool feet/footwear.
Feetwear.
Yeah, feetwear.
Some really
Yeah,
cool
yeah.
feetwear is going to get announced. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna
Yeah,
be
good.
it's gonna be a vibe. Show up there, guys.
Well, let's close it out then. Thanks
Sure.
for watching. If you made this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. Fight for cause you believe in. And Panda all the things. And as always, high five. I'll offer them a high five.
All
High
right.
five. Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
do like that.
yeah, yeah,
And
that's
then come
good.
in for this one.
And then, ooh,
Boom. That
nailed
was-
it. That's
that
a jet
was-
lag high five right
yeah,
there.
that was
Yeah.
good going.
We did it.
Thanks, guys.
We did it. We did it. Yeah.